and say hi to you all. Welcome. Hi, Skyro. Welcome in. Thank you for being here early. Welcome, welcome. And congrats on second, even though I know that's not second. That's probably first. Thank you for your daily, though. Welcome in. I hope that you've had a good day today. Hi, Min. Welcome. How are you? Hi, Dream. Welcome in. Thank you guys for your dailies. Short, hello. Congrats on first. And Dream, congrats on third. Hi, Ori, congrats on snack time. Welcome in, welcome in. Haruka, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for the, wait, for the three years? Was it 3 years? Is that 3 years? Thank you, Haruka. Thank you very much. I hope that you're doing so well today. I hope that all is well. And Short, thank you for redeeming the daily meditation. Thank you, thank you. Hi, DJ. I know I'm live a little bit earlier than I said I was going to be. Hi, Altima. How are you? Welcome in. How is everybody doing today? How was your Tuesday? We have a big day today. We're doing something very different. Well, not really very different because I've been doing a lot of collabs lately. Hello. Should I make myself smaller? Am I a bad first impression? Thank you so much for the 1 bit. Thank you, I appreciate it. Hi, Nyan Raiders. Nye, thank you so much for bringing your community here. Stay big. Okay, I can get closer. I can get closer. But thank you so much for the raid. How was the rest of your co-working stream? I hope that you were able to get a lot of stuff done. If you guys don't know me, I'm Luna. I have a very big face today. Not the whole stream, just for now. More? Okay, hold on, wait. No, this is as close as I can get, but this starts getting kind of crazy. No, that's fine. That's fine. But welcome in. If you guys don't know me, I'm Luna. I'm always in nice chat, causing some sort of chaos, probably. I don't know. But welcome in. If you don't know me, I stream variety-ish of games on Twitch. I do art. I play cozy games. I like Nintendo. Great first impression. Can we just go the Can you imagine doing the entire stream like this? Like, hey guys, I said we're gonna do a rainbow-themed scavenger hunt in Animal Crossing today, but actually you're just gonna look at my face. No, you're not gonna look at my face because today, oh, I'm crooked. Wait, how am I crooked? Why am I crooked? Wait, why is this crooked? What did I do? Oh God, I don't know how to fix it. I have to fix it. I was gonna say because we're a part of the Twitch Pride Guild raid train, but now my train is crooked. What did I do? What did I do? Wait, I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it. Goodbye. I'm gonna fix it. How do I fix it? Remove all items. Select. Okay. This is why we troubleshoot. This is why I'm live an hour before I need to be. But if not, anyone coming from the raid, if you guys have to raid and run for whatever reason, please don't feel any pressure sticking around. We're here vibing before I have my slot on the raid train. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this like this. Should I? Wait. It's still kind of crooked. Is it me? Is it my head? What if I... No, it's fine. The way I just sort of assumed you would have wanted the sticker like that. Maybe it's me, honestly. Maybe it's me. Do you also like Kanari from ZA? I do. I love Legends ZA a lot in general. I do really like Kanari. Do you play Legends ZA, Fuzzy Pig? I'm sorry if I'm forgetting from a past stream that we have met at. Animal Crossing needs Pride festivity. Who agrees? That would be so cute. That would be so cute and fun, honestly. Crooked, I'm crooked. This is so sad, but we're gonna make it through together. We're gonna make it through together. Tee hee hee ha ha. Sleepless, hello, welcome in. Thank you for your daily. And hi, Theana, how are you? Benvers, hello, welcome in. Now I want a legs view of my. You want my legs, girl? I'm very small. What does this work for you? I am very small. I don't know. My head is the same size as the rest of my body. You're doing some work for your summer classes. Good luck, DJ. Good luck. I hope that goes well. And thank you also for the shout out to Nice. Sorry, I'm scrolling in and catching up now with everything. But yeah, and Rion, hello, welcome in. I hope that you guys are all doing well today. Yusra, I hope that you guys all had a lot of fun at Nice co-working streams. I love Nice co-working streams. Nice. When she started her co-working stream today, actually, it reminded me about how I was very not focused today because the timer would go off and I was like, wow, I did one thing. I only did one thing, and that's how I knew I was not focused. Today was a hard day, okay? Today was a hard day. I'm 2 apples tall. That's me. Poke, poke, Twitch. I'm here. Mark my attendance. Thank you. Thank you, Sleepless. Good luck with your internet stuff. You were also not focused today. I don't know why it was like that. Today was just a hard day. I just like didn't want to do my work. I didn't want to do anything, honestly. There's a couple named Sol and Luna, no relation, on your island. Wait, that's fun. That's super fun. Are you talking about Tomodachi Life? Today was not a focus day too. I kept forgetting to switch over your laundry. Oh no. See, the laundry was the only thing I locked in and did today. Everything else was not a lock-in day at all. You spent 4.5 hours on chat with Comcast and 0 problems were resolved. That sounds awful. Why were your problems not resolved? That stinks. Are they ever gonna be resolved? Your stream is the cutest. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. And yeah, please step away to do whatever you need. Hi, Fernandez. How are you? Welcome in. Welcome in. I love this dog with the glowing eyes. Hello. But yes, let me read today's daily meditation and then we'll yap a bit. I'm live really early. I have nothing planned for the next 50 minutes. So y'all want to start any conversations? I'm here really early. I said I was going to start stream in 5 minutes. I started even earlier because I have kind of like the pre-stream jitters. I like didn't know what to do with myself. So I was like, I'm going to go live early. Too Long didn't read 2 years ago. They signed you up with a non-promotional plan and then they raised your rates 50% because your promotion ended. Oh my God, that's so evil. I'm so sorry that happened. I feel like that should be illegal. I feel like you should get the promotion price forever unless like super clearly otherwise stated. Acknowledge your wait. Thank you for the 350 stream streak. Wait, that's crazy. Thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. No, internet perish. No. I'm sorry, Sleepless. So that sounds really not fun to deal with. But I'm going to read today's daily meditation before we start doing things, which is basically just yapping and I have Scrandle. And that's it. A bit of fragrance always clings to the hand that gives you roses. Wait, that's a really cute one. A bit of fragrance always clings to the hand that gives you roses. Aw, wait, that's cute. I like that one. And I rated us, so it's perfect. This is about flowers. You don't like oh, well then I hope that nobody gives you... No, I can't hope nobody gives you roses. That's a really rude thing of me to hope. Well, you don't like any fragrance? Like, do you not wear any like perfume or body spray or anything like that? I love like body sprays and stuff. I actually, sometimes before stream, I'll like put body spray on as if you guys can smell me. I'm like, I gotta get ready for stream. Let me put some body spray on. I might do a new segment for when I'm on your stream, maybe a roller coaster of the day. Wait, a roller coaster? Wait, what do you mean? A roller coaster of the day? Thank you, Sleepless. Thank you. Actually, I should probably, you know what's funny was I went live early and I didn't really check like my own notes to myself about anything for today. But that's why we go live early. Okay, I have them up. I have them up now. I have them up. Everything is fine. You'll name a coaster till it starts once per... Okay, tell me the name of a roller coaster. Sniffs, Ross, sniffing. No, actually, I smell like a really weird scent. It has clouds on it, and it's like cotton clouds or something. Although I don't know if anyone like who developed that scent was able to smell the clouds to tell me if I actually smell like cotton clouds. Hi, Jay. Good morning. How are you? Wait, why morning? Did you just wake up? What's going on? I feel like I had something I wanted to show you guys, and now I don't remember. Never mind, I guess. I imagine Luna to smell like marshmallows and lavender. Wait, I like that. I like that a lot. Clouds. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. I think someone got it for me. Wait, let me get it. Actually, I'll show you guys because I have nothing else to do right now. I have it. I have it. Hold on. I have it. I think someone gave it to me. Oh, I'm in a way. It's this. Cotton candy clouds. I don't even like cotton candy, but I like clouds and stars and moons, so maybe that's why someone gifted it to me. But I don't know. What do no, not clouds. What do clouds smell like? No, not clouds. The cloud. Cloud. I can't. I actually can't. Wait, now I lost everything. I have so many scenes in this scene with my background. Wait, you're right, they're bisexual clouds. Wait, maybe that's why it was gifted to me. This is Happy Pride Month. That's absolutely correct. Hi, G-Dash fan. Welcome in, welcome in. Clouds. You think clouds smell wet? I think they will kind of smell like, I don't know, marshmallow, like Nye said. Sorry, I read bisexual clowns. Wait, I have more stuff I can show you guys. Speaking of Pride, so I went to Pride over the weekend. I guess we'll have some story time because, to be honest, like I said, I don't have anything to do for the next 45 minutes. We will scrandle, but just in general, I was like, maybe we can do some other stuff too. But I wanted to show you what I got at Pride. Look, yeah, I know, hand reveal. Wow, look at it. It's an octo. Put her back. What the heck? You don't want to see this little handmade rainbow octo I bought? Look how cute it is. Why don't you want to see it? It's so cute. It's so cute. I like it a lot, but I don't know what to do with it. So I just like put it, I just put it over here. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Eats it. No, why don't, oh God, I can't take you guys anywhere. Yeah, our follower alerts are anonymous, so you can feel free to sit back and lurk or tell us about yourself if you'd like. You did the bisexual clowns crochet for you? Actually, no, but they ran out of the bisexual like colors, and I was very upset. So I bought the rainbow one. Not wanting to see a rainbow octo on Pride. I know you want to see. Okay. I don't have anything to do for another. Well, what time is it? 45 minutes. So we have time. Look at it. Star. Also, welcome in, Star. No bisexual. I guess you're just queer. I mean, this is the closest one I could get, and I just really like it. Thank you. I did get this though. So here's my little rainbow. But you know, I got this because I have, so I've been to 2 Pride festivals so far this Pride. Well, 2 in general, and because there's no more. And for one of them, I donated to a transgender emergency relief fund, and they gave me a goodie bag that had a lot of like really cute little trans flag things. But then it made me want one for the bisexual flag. So now I have these 2 little rainbows. Why are we all rating so late? Hi, Rock. Welcome in. But yeah, I have these little guys, and I've shown this before, but I also, in that little goodie bag, I got so many cute little things. I've definitely showed you guys this. Hold on. I got this, not the Labubu, but look, I gave my Labubu this little cake that says trans rights, and I think it's really cute. This is my favorite and only Labubu, by the way. Thank you for the follow. I hope you followed for this one Labubu content. This is the only Labubu I own. This is the cutest one. There is no Labubu that is cuter than this Labubu. I paid for that. I paid for it outside of the box. Oh my God, he's gonna fall over. Wait, I feel like I got something else that I put. Did I? Wait. Oh yeah, I did. This has nothing to do with Pride, but look at how cute this is. Look at this. It's a wooden pin, and it's a tempura shrimp. I thought that this was really cute. I thought it was so cute, so I bought it. Oh, thank you for the information on the roller coaster at Cedar Point. Thank you so much for sharing. Have you been there before? I've never been to Cedar Point, but I've been near Cedar Point. A La Nunu, I hate that. We're not getting that. I like my tempura instead. I don't know if I have anything else that I got though at Pride, but yeah, I went home. Well, I had a really busy weekend last weekend here. Actually, I'll tell you guys about it, and then maybe I can find more things to show you. I had a really busy weekend last weekend because I didn't stream, and I went to Pride on Saturday. And it was crazy. It was like the craziest thing I've ever been to in my entire life. So it was like a normal event during the day with like vendors and like, you know, people were outside and happy and la la la. But then at night, I can't even like describe it to you. The whole city shut down. like there was like a illuminated night parade, and there were like thousands and thousands and thousands of people like just flooding the seats, like entire streets like turned into clubs. It was crazy. I felt old. I felt old being there, but it was super like fun, and I've never experienced something like that in my life. Like people were literally like standing on lamp posts to like get a view of the parade. I was like, what on earth is going on right now? This is crazy, but it was a really fun time. So that's what I was doing this weekend. And then I slept over at my friend's house that night. And then on Sunday, I rushed like insane crazy to go back to my parents' house for Father's Day, because like that was a thing too. And I felt so unwell. I was running on like 5 hours of sleep. I fell asleep at like 3 or 4 in the morning. Like had to like rush home, and it was crazy town. And then I was like a zombie basically for all of Father's Day on Sunday, and that's what I was doing this weekend when I wasn't streaming. Yeah, or you guys should go to a pride. That would be really fun. It's a really fun time. The one I went to though was just like crazy. It was like I bet people like stayed up all night and like partied all night, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm old for that. I'm too old for this, although it sounds so fun. It was a really fun time in general. I had a nice time, but that's where I was over the weekend when I wasn't here. Oh, also, I do want to show you guys something else. Do you want to see something else? Oh, hold on, I'm moving to get it. This is super random, and then we'll play Scramble. This is super random, and then we'll actually do something that is maybe interesting. Even though I was a straight ally, I think that's okay. I think that's okay. I went with a friend that isn't sure what she is, and that's also okay. I went to a really cool Pride event today. It was a conference about LGBT research in Ireland. Wait, that is super cool. I think that's a really cool thing. Did you, what kind of, are you able to share some of the stuff that you spoke about or that you learned? But this is like super random. So when I was at my parents' house, I went on a grand adventure, right? I don't know if you guys remember me talking about how I used to play the flute, and how I lost my flute somewhere in my parents' house and I had no idea where it was. Well, my brother and I went on a grand adventure to find my flute, which I know is like super random. And guess what we found? My flute. We found my flute. And so now I'm like, oh man, like I was like thinking to myself, I was like, I had no idea like what kind of a state it was going to be in. And like, you can, do you see how it looks like super kind of like nasty? Like, oh, you can really see here. It like, I am not putting my mouth anywhere near this thing because it is entirely oxidized. Like I feel like it doesn't show super well on stream, but like right here is like super dark, and it's kind of like I feel like it looks like right now it might just have fingerprints on it, but that's all like oxidation just from it like sitting and not being played. So I went then on a hunt over the weekend to try to find some, oh my god, and it's like, I don't know if you can tell, it's like all in here too. It's like super dark. But I went on a hunt over the weekend because, yeah, so that was the thing, was I wanted to get it professionally cleaned, right? Dude, it's expensive. It is so expensive. I was like looking it up, and I was prepared to spend like, I don't know, maybe like somewhere between like $100 and $200, because I don't know, a flute, it's pretty intricate. It has a lot of parts. To be honest, it smells like metal. Like I feel like it wasn't taken out of the case for like a really long time. And so like I was looking up like how expensive it is to get flutes cleaned. The lowest price that I found to get a flute cleaned was $200 and up for a student grade model, which I'm pretty sure is what I have, because I think I got this when I was in like, I think it was a rent to own. So I got it when I was in 3rd grade. That's how old the flute is. Like it's very old. So to be honest, for it being so old, I feel like it's not in the worst condition it could be in. But then the more I look, and 200 and up to me, I was like, okay, that sounds like a little bit scary. Like how high can the prices go? I found flute cleanings that started at other places at $450 and went all the way to like $1,200 for like insane cleaning. And I'm sure that's if it's like really bad, like, you know, a really bad situation. I'm sure like, you know, my flute wouldn't be like $1,000 to clean or anything like that. But I was just like, dude, at that point, like I would just buy a new flute. you know? Yeah, I'm pretty sure mine is student grade. I'm probably gonna have to take it in somewhere and get like a quote, because I don't want to, like if I would like it to be like playable again, because it's kind of sad that it's just like sitting in the case forever or whatever. But at the same time, I'm like, for a hobby, like I don't really want to spend more than $200, you know, especially because it's just expensive. But it is sad that it's just like sitting there, you know? Hi, Luna T, welcome. And you're with friends, enjoy your time. Yeah, I think I know that flutes are expensive. I feel like mine must have been on the cheaper side though, because it was rent to own. And like I said, I started playing flute when I was in 3rd grade. It was elementary school. So it couldn't have been that expensive, I guess, for my parents to agree to buy it for me. But I also played the flute all the way until I graduated high school. So I guess it was worth it. But yeah, it's kind of sad that it's just like there, you know? There was a whole range of talks. There was some psychology based on the effects of challenges in the trans healthcare system on mental health. Some were about incorporating LGBT focus into health research. One was about current regulations and attitudes towards blood donation in the queer community. That's so interesting, Jay. That sounds like a really interesting and informative event. Thank you for sharing some information about it. I've never been to like a discussion or something like that before, but it sounds super interesting, and I would love to like have, you know, heard more info. That's really cool. But yeah, so today, I think I don't know if I like even properly said it. I probably did, but I also probably didn't at the same time. We're a part of the Twitch Pride Guild raid train, as you can tell from my, I'm like, should I, oh, wait. Wait, I think I know how to fix this. Wait, I think I know how to fix it. Wait. Let me stand really still. I'm really still, okay, wait, I think I know how to fix it. Wait, I know I'm asleep. Wait, I have an idea. If I know I took my model away. I think that if I stop myself from moving, and then I load it, it'll load flat, like straight on my head. This is the new method. Hold on, are you ready? Yes, DM me more about it, I'll read. Okay, here I am. Too late, I already found the new method. Wait, now I have to turn my tracking back on, hold on. Bam, bam. Ooh, it's better now. It's better. But I guess if it wasn't straight, that's just fitting for Pride Month. Like me. Bad joke, okay. Yes, but please DM me more about it tomorrow. I would love to hear, but I think that we'll do some Scrandle because it's early. And the train doesn't get to us for a little while. I know I'm in the Animal Crossing category. Do you think I'm gonna get like... Do you think that someone's gonna come after me if I'm streaming Animal Crossing in 30 minutes. I actually just realized I'm in the Animal Crossing category. I'm like, that bad. You guys want to do Scrandle? I'm loading it. So, I mean, if you don't want to, that kind of stinks for you. That kind of stinks for you. I'm fine. Twitch is gonna come after. I'm gonna get banned. Don't actually, I shouldn't say that. You had to go to Kings Island at the same time as Cedar Point. So that week time frame, you kind of went starstruck because of all the rides. That sounds really fun. I like roller coasters, but they have to be like specific kinds of roller coasters. Like I can't do ones that are like, I don't know, like totally vertical or like totally like, I don't know. I hurt my neck once on a roller coaster that went like straight up and then straight down. And ever since then, I've been like kind of nervous. Like not like hurt my neck like super bad, but it hurt enough where I was like, I'll take a look later, Ultima. We're gonna play Scrandle right now. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? You need the most thrilling rides. I like, there are rides I really like, but I can usually look at one and know if it's not something I can go on. Yeah, like I love, my favorite rides at Disney are the Tower of Terror, and I like Big Thunder Mountain. I know that's like not the biggest roller coaster in the world, but I like those two rides a lot. I like those a lot. But yeah, well, let's start. Oh, okay. Thank you for the 5-stream streak, Luna T. Thank you, I appreciate it. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, hold on. The scale of my, oh my God, do you guys remember when we played Scrandle last and there were those like, there were those things on it, like the World Cup symbols? Do you remember that? I changed the view of my screen because I didn't want you guys to see the, oh, no, I changed it for the tier lists. I changed it. I was like, hold on a second. It's all messed up. Cause you know what's funny was it used to be perfect for Scrandle. It was like the perfect size, But I changed it because when we were doing tier lists, there were all the ads. Okay. I forgot about that. Let me just fix this really fast so that we can have the full view and you guys can see everything without seeing like all the other internet browser stuff. Okay, this is pretty good. This is pretty good. This is a good viewing experience. Okay. Hi, Horsefinger. You have New York style pizza. Enjoy. No World Cup food. I don't know if it's World Cup food, but there's not those. Do you remember those huge stickers that were on it before that like we couldn't even see the food? That was annoying. So maybe they got reviews that took it away because you couldn't see anything. You can't see anything because I am also big. I'll be smaller. I'll hide. Is this good? I know that chat's in the air, but that's fine. You guys are small. Okay. So we have a a cheeseburger with air fried fries. What does that mean? What does why am I frozen? Hello? Why am I frozen? Oh, that was, what the? Nobody wants me to scramble. Fries, oh, that means that they're cooked in the air fryer? Oh yeah, air fried fries. I was like, what does air fried mean? I'm like, did they leave them out to dry? Like, what happened? You love the little thing on your VTuber. Thank you, I appreciate it. It's the logo for the event we're in 30 minutes. So you have a cheeseburger or Korean barbecue cauliflower wings. I have to pick the right because the left, I don't know, I don't trust those air fried fries. I don't Okay, we're fine. We have a personal pizza or onion, how do you say this? Is it J like H? Bahi? Chips and mint yogurt. Wait. Mint, is that like mint yogurt and chicken? That's kind of weird. But what do I know, I guess? What do you guys think? Oh my god. CC, thank you for the resub. You came here right when there's pizza. I think you might have predicted that. CC, what do you think of this pizza? Thank you for the resub though. Welcome in. Yeah, it's Scrandal. Are you shocked? Are you shocked? We have time. We have 30 minutes. You guys have to... We have to yap for 30 minutes, so of course Scrandal is here. But, well, you hate the pizza? Bye! Okay, that's fair. I don't know, though, neither of them look very good to me. The pizza's pretty solid compared to other pizzas. Wait! Thank you for the 135 watch streak. I've been here too long, I don't even know what to put here, so boop, I guess. Let me tell you about the journey up the mountains again. It's been 5 weeks, there's been heavy winds and some snow, but overall the journey's been great. Amazing weather, by the way. Would recommend we then used a wingsuit to glide back down, landing in a pool of water with a splash. Wow. Thanks for the story, and thank you for the streak. Thank you. Why is there a number 2 in Scrandal? I don't know. I don't know the lore behind that. I'm gonna pick the right one. Oh man. The pizza looked okay though. It didn't look off. Ooh. I'm distracted. Oh my gosh, and thank you for the 110 stream streak. There's so many streaks today. Thank you, Dream. Thank you. And thank you, Ori. Perfect. That's awesome. We have a chili dog or chana masala with samosas. You know I'm picking chana masala. You know I'm picking chana masala. You're gonna steal the... No, you can't steal the streak. Why is the hot dog and the bun the same size? I know. And in the photo is like really nice. It's like a nice looking photo too. Enjoy your vacation. Watch you. Oh God. Well, I'm choosing chana masala while you guys fight. Why did I lose? I'm 0-2 right now. Okay, it's okay. We can bounce back from this. We have chicken curry and rice or an onion hot dog. Onion hot dog sounds gross to me. Let me specify to me. It's wow, not the decline, reject. Oh yeah, it says it right there. Deny. Decline, reject. Wait, what would you guys choose here though? What would you guys choose? I'm gonna choose the chicken curry and rice personally. I don't know if I think it'll automatically go away in 2 minutes if Sleepless doesn't say anything. Oh, I finally won. I finally won. Oh my God, not this again. Wait, we've seen this before. We've seen this before. Chicken and chips. This looks actually good. Or a 2-foot-long hot dog inside of 11 powdered donuts with mustard ketchup drizzle. Yeah, why? Well, I don't get that. I don't understand this. I don't understand this, but I don't like it. But the memes, I don't like it though. That's gross. I like the left one actually looks good. Like it actually looks yummy. If it were fake chicken at least. But why is that a thing? That's what I want to know. Why do the dots that turn green? So it's based on the majority. So if I chose one and it went red, that means that I didn't choose what the majority chose. But if it went green, I did. What is yard goats? Hi, Orange. The chicken is better, but the hero. I feel like that's gonna win. Oh, it didn't. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. Ooh, I don't know how. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. In this situation, the sausage and beer looks better than the chicken curry and chips. This looks like a mess to eat. I don't like when things are messy. The lighting on the left is like 6 p.m. Animal Crossing. I'm sure that 6 p.m. exists outside of Animal Crossing too, but that's what I get from looking at this picture. Oh, I actually took it as night. I actually think that the left looks better. Like, not only because of the golden hour lighting, I just think it looks like the sausage is like the size of the bread. The lighting is selling. You want the scary curry? You can have it. You won. I didn't win. Whoa. Wait a second. Is this a double cheeseburger in like a baguette? Or buffalo chicken tenders and fries? Okay, but look at all that sauce. I love sauce. Do I like veggie pizza? It depends. I love vegetables, but I don't love all vegetables cooked on a pizza. My favorite kind of pizza is just a simple margarita pizza. You want to have neither of these? You need the sauce. I like the sauce. It looks like the burger. It's weird, right? Yeah, it's something that's not for a hamburger. I'm choosing this because I like sauce. Although I think that would be too spicy for me. What? Pizza. What do you mean? Hi, Nye. Yeah, I hope that you ate food that was better than this one. The bao buns look delicious. Those look delicious. What is this? What even is happening here? I don't even know how to describe what's happening here if I could. This is cheaper. This is cheaper and it has green. I like when there's sauce and I like when there's a veggie. This is no. That's like, why does it look like that? Ooh, wait, both of these look nice. Would you judge me if you, I mean, I wouldn't judge you, honestly. I wouldn't judge you, but I would let you have the pizza and I wouldn't ask you for a bite. I wouldn't ask you for a bite. So we have a victory burger or pork dumplings. The dumplings look good, but I always like dumplings. Oh, that's cool, Horsefinger. Enjoy. What do you guys think? The dough looked older and the cheese was definitely burned, so it was an oven that had the heat primarily on the top. Is that, oh. That's interesting. Thank you for sharing your knowledge, but it just looked bad. I mean, I know that you agree it looked bad, but I'm just saying in general that it definitely looked bad. People would go for the burger, but I want the dumplings too. I also want the dumplings. Whatever. Ooh. Wait, why are we getting so many good foods today? I'm almost concerned. Enclosed bun hot dog. What does that mean? With ketchup and mayo, with fries, mayo, barbecue sauce. Or Thai noodles with crispy chicken balls. Why do they both look actually really good? Like, they both look really good. Hi, Winter. How are you? Welcome in. Hi, Matt. How are you? Why does the victory burger? It does look like the AC in it. Yeah, you're right. You're right. You want both? They both look really good. Honestly, like I said, I like sauces, so this looks super good to me. But I don't know. I feel like I would prefer Thai noodles over having this type of a meal. But they both look really good. So like, what do we say? When a vegan-friendly food. Are you a vegan, Thean? I'm actually a vegetarian. I judge everything as if it was soy meat. I just judge everything as if it's soy meat, even if I don't eat the meat. That's so cool. That's really cool. I'm choosing Thai noodles. Oh, we won. Ooh. Macaroni and cheese. Made with, wait, it has to specify made with penne and not macaroni. That's actually a very funny specification. Or a monster burger. A cheeseburger with a chicken trip and 2 mozzarella sticks. All right, that's too much for me. That's too much for me. That burger looks interesting. I would never be able to eat that. What? Wow, we did. I mean, we did half and half. It was 50-50. It was a 50-50. But yeah, I will say that didn't look very good to me. That didn't look very appetizing. But thank you either way for joining me for Disgrandle. It's already. I made the page smell for Disgrandle. I'm actually gonna I'm gonna open Animal Crossing. I'm not gonna start doing the scavenger hunt yet, but I'm gonna open Animal Crossing. And everything went crazy because it changed my resolution by accident. Beep 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 beep. Let's see. Oh, I'm off. I'm off. Wait, let me fix myself. Oh my god, uh-oh. Hello? My computer just froze. Dude, I'm like kind of nervous my computer's being a little weird today. That was the second time my VTuber model froze. Don't do that to me today. I'll eat anything because you're the least picky eater in your family. Yeah, I'm not a picky eater. I just don't eat meat and I can't have dairy. But I'll eat like if you put anything that's not in those categories in front of me, then I will eat it. Like I don't have any vegetables I don't like or anything like that. Yes, I love the Apothecary Diaries. I've actually consumed the Apothecary Diaries in all forms. I've watched the anime, I've read the manga, and now I'm reading the novels. Have you watched it, Cece? Also, I'm just gonna open my island. Actually, wait, you guys haven't seen my island since there's no lag. Nobody has ever seen my island not lagging. Isn't that insane? I think it's insane at least. Have I read both mangas? No, I haven't actually. Well, I've read two of the 3. Count the spin-off. I don't think Xiaolan's stories though have been translated into English yet, but I bought them in Japan. No lag island. I started the anime recently. You're on episode 2 of the 2nd season. Do you like it so far? Yeah, there's 3 different versions of the Apothecary Diaries, actually, but one of them's a spin-off. You might have to convince your parents. Oh yes, wait, Tomodachi Life is super fun. If you get it, I hope you enjoy. We're gonna play it again on Thursday. I really miss it in general. Good evening. So when I transferred everything over to my Switch 2, I got really scared because it gives you the prompt in the beginning for anybody who's transferred their island, like, do you want to start, when you open it, it's like, it literally says something like, there is no save data on this Switch. Like, what would you like to do? Boy, did I freak out because I transferred everything. And then it tells me there's no save data. And then you have to basically click an option that says to either transfer from your previous Switch or to start anew. But I wasn't expecting to open my game and have it say there's no save data on this. I was about to like cry. Like my heart started beating so fast. I was so upset. As you approach the second half of season 2, it's going to be very hard to put down between episodes. Yeah. I had a hard time the whole series in between episodes. But yeah, season 2 gets really good. I love the use of Chibi in the anime. Mama as a cat. Chibi is like the spirit animal to me. I almost hissed at one of your coworkers today because he was getting in the way and being a bad coworker. That's so funny. Yeah, it does load fast. Because of your friend, I'll let you play on the Switch too, and now you're addicted. That's so good. But yeah, let's get ready and change our outfit for the day. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Well, actually, I can be Mau Mau. I have Mau Mau's outfit in Animal Crossing. I forgot I had that. But let's see. Thank you so much. Enjoy your night routine. Enjoy. Thank you for the lurk. Maybe I'll wear one of my favorite, like, go-to outfits, though. Which is... No, I want to wear this. Hi, Ani. Good morning. This is one of my favorite little outfits. Maybe I'll wear this today. I usually wear my backpack. I like this backpack. I like my outfit. At least I think it's really cute. How are you? Good morning. Should I wear this or do you guys think I should wear something different? I think I look cute. But I'll show you my island. I'll show you what it looks like when you can run through it. I just have to maybe like in 10 minutes stop and go back to my just chatting screen. Or something like that. I'm kind of nervous today. I don't know why. Today's been kind of a weird mood day for me. Maybe that's why. What did I get? Oh, I didn't take it. I don't know if I have anything like rainbowy. I could check. Actually, wait, let me go back. But I don't think I have anything. Let me see. I don't know if I really want to spend like a ton of time looking up codes right now either. We can see. Meow, meow, meow. I feel like I don't. I'm not a very colorful person. I'm not a very colorful person. Oh. I'm not wearing a caterpillar costume. I'm not wearing a caterpillar costume, but it's so rainbow. Wait, why is it kind of cute? Wait, can I make this work? Can I make this work? Am I crazy? Wait, chat, can we make this work? Wait a second. Why is it kind of cute? Okay, I actually think it's kind of cute. Do you guys think it's cute or am I just crazy? Any objections? It's kind of funny with the fishnets. What do you guys think? It's cute? Yeah, I think so too. Wait, it's so cute. Wait, it's actually really cute. Wow, not me being like, I'm not wearing a caterpillar costume and then being like, actually, that's the look for today. That is the look. It's so funny. But yeah, I'll show you what my island looks like when you can run through it. No one will ever know I'm actually a caterpillar. Who would have thought? Hi, Muscat, how are you? Who is that girl I see? That was the wrong key entirely. Welcome in, how are you? But I want to show you guys that my island has no item lag. You know, if anybody is the star person to demonstrate no item lag, it's me. I still can't believe it myself. I still literally can't believe it myself. I have so many items. Oh yeah, that is super pretty, Cece. I'm really glad you're enjoying it. Sorry, I'm running because I'm just amazed that my island has no lag. It does feel really smooth, but sometimes I wonder if it's in my imagination that it feels so smooth because I'm like, wow, new console. Of course it feels so smooth. But like, there's really no lag. I kind of liked my item lag. It was a part of my charm. It was a part of my charm. I'm not gonna lie. Phil! He's so cute. Oh, I didn't even, you guys, I thought I turned off my, oh my God, I'm so sorry. I thought I turned off my capture card sound. I guess I didn't. The item lag was one of the biggest reasons I was hoping I get a Switch too. Yeah, I mean, I agree that it was pretty bad, but I also didn't really care. I don't know. But now it's gonna be nice because if we find any islands when we go on our scavenger hunt, it's gonna load like super fast. I guess I'll just clean up a little bit. Also, I do have the scavenger hunt stuff like in my overlay. I just haven't showed it to you yet. I haven't showed it to you yet, but I will. You're currently lifting things and you're going to go up and down the stairs. Good luck, Orange. That sounds challenging. Don't hurt yourself. Been enjoying setting up a new game controller. Wait, what does that mean? Are you making it? That's cool. I'm I'm doing well. We're gonna be in the Twitch Pride Guild raid train in 10 minutes. Let me check on the stream that I'm lurking in about 10 minutes. I have both streams up. I have the stream that we're raiding into and the stream that's raiding into me. I am lurking in them both, just in case. But yeah, and maybe like 5 minutes or so, I'll hop off and do a really fast BRB. And then we'll start the scavenger hunt at the top of the hour. I forgot I redid. I don't like Coco's Home. Even though I redid it, I still don't really enjoy it. We both took a sip of tea at the same time, though. That was pretty impressive. Me and Coco. Yeah, it's like wild. It's nice to like just see the island not lagging, even though I didn't really secretly mind it at all in general. But yeah, I was just really scared that I was gonna lose this island. Yeah, they're already streaming. I feel like that's kind of common sometimes for some streamers, but the person that I'm raiding into is also doing a charity stream. So they might have wanted to start early to just like have some time to like manage that too, because doing all different kinds of special kinds of streams are super fun and exciting. But I think that sometimes it's a lot. So maybe they just wanted to get started so that they, you know, have time to sort of like introduce the charity and then, you know, ease everybody into the raid train and all that stuff. But yeah, some people though stream for just a really long time in general, you know? That's Yuzu, horse finger. A bit of a newer model of a video game controller, so it needs some calibration. Oh, before Yu's been working with it for about a week now. That's really cool. Whoa, I've never done something like that before. Is it fun? I hope it's fun. Sounds fun. But yeah, right at, I'm just gonna clean my island a little bit while I'm here. Right at the top of the hour, we are expecting a raid, and whenever the raid comes in, we will introduce ourselves. I will introduce myself, I guess, and then we're gonna start for 2 hours. We're going to be doing a scavenger hunt in Animal Crossing, and I'm looking for all rainbow-themed items. I already have all the items we're gonna get. I'm a little bit nervous, y'all. If you guys are able to sit and like watch the stream, you guys are gonna have to help be my eyes, because you guys know when I'm streaming, I get really distracted, and sometimes I walk straight by items. Oh, wait, that's cute, JC. Wow, what a cute message. Sorry, I saw the 350 stream streak, and then I read your message and was shocked that it was nice. Thank you for the 350 streak, JC. I'm sorry if you missed Scrandle earlier. It was actually really good. You cooked with that one? Yeah, it was good. You did a good job. Wow, so proud of you. Actually, let me, while we have a little bit of time. Oh, there were so many weeds there. Let me make a pinned message. And then I'll go on BRB for a minute. I have to use the bathroom. SMH. SMH that the message was nice? Do you think the same thing? That's what I thought. All right. God, my island is just not magical without the cherry blossoms. Wow, 1 pastry away. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, let me, wait, I was trying to get a nice cute view, but all I can see is myself in a caterpillar costume. That's all I can see. Okay, let me make a message. For Pride. We are streaming today as a part of, wow, I can't type. Part of the Twitch Pride Guild raid train, doing a rainbow scavenger hunt. Sit back, relax, and vibe. What's the I want to do this one. Yay! I made a pinned message. I'm a real streamer. Did I make any typos? Did I make any typos? Oh, wait, I did make a typo. Hold on, I did make a typo. I forgot punctuation. It's really hard to copy and paste my own messages sometimes. Okay, I'm fixing it. I'm fixing it. I'm not wearing Majora's Mask today. That was not a part of the deal. That was not a part of the deal. Okay, okay. I hope I didn't make any typos. We are streaming today as a part of the Twitch Pride Guild raid train, doing a rainbow themed scavenger hunt. Sit back, relax, and vibe. Woohoo! Woo! Hide for myself. All right, I'm gonna take a quick BRB and run to the restroom and blow my nose. So I will see you guys in a couple of minutes. We'll do a quick BRB. I'm trying to center myself. Am I centered? Hey. Does this sweeten the deal? Why are you giving me a bit? Why are you giving me a bit? Sorry, I know that I'm looking in a weird direction. Why are you giving me 1 bit? Don't do that. Put it away. Put the bit away. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do a quick BRB. I'm gonna run to the restroom. I will. Why not? I don't know. I'm gonna add some points to you guys, and I will give you like 2 minutes. I will be right back. BRB. I'm back. I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Dang, why is it dang? I'm trying to make my model perfect. Is she perfect? I think she's perfect. Okay. I move her around too much. How is your gambling? Mayhaps what? Mayhaps it's perfect. I think we can expect some visitors very soon, by the way. You're ready? You're ready? You guys really have to be my eyes. If anybody can actually help watch the scavenger hunt, I feel like I'm so bad at them sometimes. I just sit here and yap. And I don't actually hunt, and it's really bad. And it's really bad. Can we greet them with haunts? No. Only rainbows. Do you have a rainbow haunts emote? Close his eyes. Oh my god. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm gonna. Oh my god, me too. I opened one eye. My model makes really funny faces. Let me draw one BRB. Yeah, quick, turn it into an emote. And then you'll be all ready. I'm looking at me here in a oh my god. I just like, sometimes when I don't play Animal Crossing for a little while, I think that this game has motion controls. I know that you can't see my screen. I don't know if any other people like sometimes think that Animal Crossing is supposed to have motion controls, but I often feel that way, and that is very wrong. And I just like freaked out because I was like, oh my god, is my game like broken right now? You did your Animal Crossing transfer. Oh, nice. Yeah, I did too, and it was scary. I didn't like it. I didn't like transferring my island, but I have it. It's fine. It's fine, even though it was horrifying. It is the Splatoon in me, because Splatoon has motion controls. Like, I know that that's the thing. I know that that's why, but I'm just like, oh my god, why am I like this? I always think that every game has motion. Even like Tomodachi Life, when I play it, I feel like it has motion. It doesn't. I actually think that Splatoon is the only game I play that has motion controls, and it's like done my brain really wrong into thinking that every game has motion controls. Ooh, I earned a... Hold on, sorry, I'm just creeping on the stream that's coming to us. Okay, I see. I shouldn't creep, it makes me more nervous. You need to do it since you had your Switch too. Yes, I had to do it as well. All right, guys, we are going to have some friends come, and then we're gonna start our scavenger hunt. Sorry, I started so early just to yap. I just wanted to say hi. You don't even use the motion controls in Splatoon. That's true. Yeah, then you would forget. Then you would forget. We love yaps. Yeah, I do too. I like yaps too. Oh, but I'm also ready to start. I get really nervous when I do these scavenger hunts because I don't know if we're gonna clear it. I think I might have made one of the items too difficult. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it in a moment. Oh, you tried motion the other day and you hated it. It does definitely take a lot of time to get used to. I feel like after like a day or so, I started to feel better, but it took some time for like the skills to come back after the day, if that makes sense. Like I was like, oh, I changed it, but I still feel like something is off, you know? Or at least that's how I felt at first. Drink my water, stay hydrated, friends. Oh. Bow, bow, bow. Hello, Raiders! Welcome in! Happy Pride! Hello, everybody! Welcome in! Thank you so much for bringing the train over to me, B! Welcome in, everybody! Thank you so much for the raid. I hope that you had an absolutely fantastic stream. Happy Pride! Happy Pride! Let me go ahead and give you a big shout out. I hope that you had such a hecking fun stream today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, honey, garlic, fish, bones, I did it. Was doing an art stream and it was so much fun to watch. Thank you so much for bringing the train all over to me. Hi, Moon. Welcome in. I hope that you guys have been having such a fun time on the Twitch Pride Guild rain train. I have been having such a fun time checking in every single day to see where the train is at. It is so much fun to see so much queer joy, so many happy people. It is such an exciting time. But if you guys don't know me, I'm Luna. I struggle talking. I'm sorry. I'm Luna. I stream variety games on Twitch. I am an artist as well. I do art streams. I am an illustrator, but I'm also a big fan of cozy and games and Nintendo games. And today we're going to be getting into some Animal Crossing. I'm doing well, Moon. How are you? How was your day today? And how is everybody? If you feel comfortable letting me know. Also, if anybody has to raid and run for absolutely any reason, please don't feel any pressure to stick around. But today we're going to be doing a rainbow themed scavenger hunt in Animal Crossing, and I am very hecking excited. My model's adorable. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And thank you, Sunny. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you so much for the bits. Thank you so much. That is so perfect. But I debuted as a VTuber a month and a half ago, question mark. I had a face cam until then. So sometimes I still grace the internet with my face. But I'm having a lot of fun VTubing. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please also be, if you need to rest up, do any after stream care or anything like that, please don't feel any pressure to stick around. But if you guys would like to stick around and hang out, I would love to yap with you all. I will take very good care of you all, or I will do my best to on my part of the raid train. This is like so like, I'm nervous. I feel like I don't usually get like nervous before streams anymore, but here we are. Maybe admitting to it will help me out a little bit. But yeah, I hope that you guys have been having a really great Pride month so far. I hope that you've been having so much fun. You're like, so, oh my gosh. No. Thank you so much though. Thank you. No, I just started VTubing really recently, but I've had my like my OC and like my character and everything I've had in my mind for a really long time. So it made it a little bit easier. Yes, it was Heaven Official's blessing behind me. Yes, so I know my model is a little bit off centered here. I apologize. But actually I drew my background. I drew my background, and my friend Starbit made the animations on my background, which is just full of things that I like, which also includes Heaven Official's blessing. And yes, I'm a Splatoon character. My community was basically built on Splatoon, so there's a lot of Splatoon elements and Splatoon streams that happen over here on our channel. Hi, Swaggy Variety Gamer. Welcome in, and thank you so much. We do play Splatoon as well. Do you play Splatoon? That's really fun to hear, because we love Splatoon. My whole community is basically built on Splatoon. You love that so much. Me too. I love them as well. But yes, today, we are going to be doing a rainbow themed scavenger hunt. Also, thank you guys so much for the follows. All of our alerts are anonymous, so you can feel free to continue to sit back and lurk, introduce yourself if you like, absolutely whatever it is for you to feel comfortable. So you can sit back, you can relax, there's no pressure to chat. We are a very lurker friendly community. I am here to yap for us all. So grateful for the Pride Guild / Raid Train. Yes, for introducing me to so many wonderful LGBT streamers. Yes, me too. This is like a dream. If you would have asked me like 10 years ago if like little me would have been doing something like this, I would have been like so shy and been like, no, there's no way. And the fact that I'm here, I think that's why I'm so nervous. I think that's why I'm so nervous. I'm just like, oh my God, I'm a part of it. I'm doing it. And it makes me really happy. Yes, shout out to the gays. I'm so happy. Y'all, I'm so happy this month. I don't want June to end. Well, actually, I'm one of those. Look, I'm really sorry. Wait, no, I shouldn't say it yet. First, let me show you let me show you the rainbow items that I've chosen for today's scavenger hunt. So how this works is if anybody hasn't been to an Animal Crossing scavenger hunt stream before, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be spending the next 2 hours going to random dream addresses and trying to find all of the items on the left side of the screen. So if you guys would like to open up your games and hunt for the items alongside me, please feel free. But I'm notoriously bad for walking past items that I'm looking for. So chat, you are 100% able to backseat me. Please let me know if I walk past one of the items that we are looking for. But usually I don't mind if we like find an item and it's in a different color. But since we're specifically doing Pride, you know, it's a raid train, it's rainbows, they have to be in the colors that I have put out there. So I'm a little bit scared we're not gonna find anything, honestly. I'm so valid, yeah, but thank you, Sunny. Thank you so much. Yes, we needed the froggy chair. I was like scrolling through and I was like, what is a green item? And I was like, why am I even thinking about what a green item is? Of course, it's gonna be the froggy chair. But no, I just forgot how to play Animal Crossing. But what I was gonna say is I don't want June to be over, but at the same time, I'm so sorry. But I'm one of those people that the second June is over, I'm like, this is Halloween. This is Halloween. I've been already seeing so many posts online about like the Halloween people coming out, and I'm like, yep, that's me. That's me. I am one of them. I'm so sorry. I have to say that because I already warned chat. I was like, I'm gonna start doing some Halloween art. Nobody is safe from this. If you see Luna missed an item, definitely don't use the chat command. That's what Sleepless is going to do. Do you remember when Animal Crossing preview videos? Wait, do you remember the Animal Crossing preview videos where they said you had to catch frogs and mash them into a chair? I know. No, I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. All right, chat, but here we go. We have 2 hours. We have a little under 2 hours to try to find all the items on the left-hand side of the screen. Will I do it? Will it happen? Wait, but we're going to somewhere named Cherryton, and my island is named Sakuranbo after a Japanese cherry, so maybe we'll have some luck. You had to catch like 10 frogs, and you would craft them into a chair? Oh, that sounds horrifying. You got this. Thank you, B. Thank you so much. All right, first island. Because the froggy chair wasn't in the base game. Oh, no. So this was my first Animal Crossing game. Going to random islands is so much fun. It is so much fun. Sometimes we get really lucky and find really, really nice islands. And then other times we find islands that are just like full of flowers. So it's a really big like hit or miss depending on what we're going to find. But I just think it's so exciting anyway, because I really like looking at islands. And thank you so much for the follow. Thank you. All right, chat, we're officially on the hunt. We are officially on the hunt. I usually also tend to not really go inside of houses just for time purposes. So there's also that, just as an FYI. Even though it is really fun looking inside of houses as well. Oh my God, this is one of the newer items, yeah? From the hotel? Cherryton, and the first fruit you saw was a peach. I mean, it was close, right? I have to familiarize myself with the items also that we are looking for. But yeah, I would like to hear, while we start doing this hunt, how are you guys? How was your Pride Month? Have you been to any Pride festivals? What have you done? I want to hear about it. This is the perfect time for me to hopefully not walk past the items that I have chosen and we can yap. I personally have been to 2 Pride festivals. They were very fun. They were both extremely different from each other. One of them was like a chill, low-key, outdoor, like fun time. And then the other one was like a chill, low-key, fun. Oh my God, Cam. I went with Cam. Cam, you I don't know if you had ever been to the night parade at that Pride, it was a freaking zoo. Like a zoo in a good way. Like there were people dancing, there were thousands of people, and the streets were closed off, and it was like a nightclub outside for like blocks and blocks and blocks. It was actually insane. It was the wildest thing I've ever seen. But how are you, Cam? I miss you. College, Stardew, and art. Ooh, wait, that sounds nice. I hope that the Stardew and the art and the college have been okay, cat girl. Hi, Pyrai! Hi. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in, Pyrai and Raiders. How was your stream? What were you up to today? Welcome. Let me give you a big shout out. How was your stream today? Thank you for bringing your viewers here. I appreciate it. We're currently doing an Animal Crossing rainbow themed scavenger hunt, and I'm scared. I'm scared that I'm gonna walk by things and also not find anything. I'm making dinner, but I'm here listening and enjoying the yap time. Thank you so much, V. Thank you again for bringing your community over here with the train. I really appreciate it. And enjoy dinner. Enjoy. You played in a tournament and then Assassin's Creed. It was good. That's good. I hope that it was. Oh! I found something. We found something, guys. We found something already. Wait. We found the mushroom. Look, now I'm gonna be afraid. Like whenever I start finding something really fast, I'm like, what if I made it too easy? What if I made it too easy? Animal Crossing is good. We actually just started. This is our first island. We found a thing. Mushroom. Let's go. I'm gonna sip my tea. And yes, thank you for claiming your dailies. We have a daily check-in redeem if anybody would like to redeem. If my model ever looks weird, it's because I'm sipping my massive mug of tea. Oh wait, I want to talk to them. I want to say hi. I don't know who that is, but I like Sasha. Thank you, Theata. Thank you for claiming your dailies. All right, so this was, oh, see, now I'm not gonna count this. Because we have the little moon, but it has to be purple. Normally, if we're doing a scavenger hunt, I will count like the colors. Like if it's a different color, that's okay. But nope, not this time. We're in heart mode. Oh, look at the baby. Look at the little crab. Oh my God, this is cute. Oh my God, and there's a froggy chair, but it's the wrong color. Okay, so that's okay. Everything's gonna be fine. But I think, did I walk around everywhere? I tend to run in like a million circles. And like, I'm like, did I actually see everything? That's a really great question. Yeah, I haven't been, so I go through, as probably what most people do, I feel with Animal Crossing, I go through a lot of phases with Animal Crossing. I actually went through one phase with Animal Crossing very recently. I resaved my dream address, which I do every single April. I save it at a really specific date and time. I have a cherry blossom themed island, so I always save it on the last day of the cherry blossoms. And I was so addicted to Animal Crossing this year when I was working on my dream address, but just like every single time I go to redo my dream address, I burnt myself out really badly after, and I actually haven't really been playing it since. But it's really fun to get back into it. This is one of those games that like, I sometimes wish that I picked up more and like the burnout wasn't so real sometimes. And also, I don't know if you noticed, but I'm wearing a rainbow caterpillar costume. I revealed it. I was like, no one's gonna notice I'm in a caterpillar costume, right? But I wanted to tell you I was in a caterpillar costume because it's Pride. Wait, why are we oh, okay. I was like, what's happening in the chat? That's funny. Yeah, you guys can duel. That's fine. Hi, Velvet. How are you? Welcome in. I'm such a cute little caterpillar. I can't believe we found one item already. Again. That's fun though. Should I take a tally of how many islands we go to? I feel like that's easiest to do in a pen and paper. I could also like put something on my screen, but I don't want to. I feel like there's a lot on my screen already right now. That's true. You can gamble. Wait, I'm gonna get a pencil and paper. I'm gonna write it down like the old-fashioned way. My model's gonna go with me. Okay. I'm gonna take notes. I don't know if this is strange. Does anybody else particularly really like to handwrite things? Because I sometimes, like when it comes to handwritten things over typing, sometimes I prefer to like use a pen and paper. I don't know why. You could do exclamation mark stars, I think. I don't actually know. Sometimes my chat knows more things about my chat than I do. Because I don't. But yeah, let's go to island number 2 and continue our rainbow hunt. Let's go, let's go. Wow, you got lucky. You got lucky. But yeah, has anybody else been playing any Animal Crossing lately or any cozy games that you enjoy? I will say I have opened Pokopia every single day since I started playing it. And listen, I started Pokopia really late. I'm the worst gamer because I tend to start games that are like really popular really late. Like I got Pokopia and started it last week, 2 weeks ago or something like that. And I feel like at this point, so many people are like overplaying Pokopia, but I'm here like must hydrate everything. Must make this place humid. And I feel like I'm very behind. I can also see that. Oh yeah, that's true. Thank you, Cece. Thank you. But yeah, so I've been playing a lot of Pokopia, but before this, as my chat knows, I have been super addicted to Tomodachi Life. I actually think ever since I started playing Pokopia, this is the longest I've gone without opening Tomodachi Life. And I'm a little bit scared because I'm like, what are my Miis doing? Who are they? What are they? Where are they? What is happening? You know? And I'm a little bit scared. We're gonna play it on Thursday. Also, what in the hecking outdoor resort? This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Hi, Veery. Thank you for the lurk. The hyperfixation has shifted for sure. I'm actually a little bit worried because, as you guys know, I don't really play a lot of games, and I worry that like, God, like I had Tomodachi Life and I was unknowingly addicted to that. Like that like caught me out of left field or whatever. And then now I feel like Pokopia also caught me out of left field, and now Splatoon Raiders comes out in a month. Literally, what is it, a month from today? And I'm just like, oh my god, like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do on stream? But you are right in saying that the hyperfixation has shifted. I'm not used to playing so many games, though. I'm not a real gamer. Do the all-in? Wait, you guys are gonna do the all-in? You guys can make a pact. If I find all the items, do you gamble all? You don't have to gamble all. But I keep like looking back and forth because I'm really worried I'm gonna forget what items I put on my list. You don't gamble, you know your luck. That's good. I only gamble really small amounts if I do. Also, look at all these. Oh, he's so cute over there. Look how angry he is. He's so angry. What a cutie. This island is really pretty though. It has a lot of flowers. You got to number 2 by gambling all. I mean, this is true, but I wouldn't say that you are the example. Because Clover has number 1 by not gambling at all. So there's also that. Oh my god, it's a heart. It's a heart. This is so cute. This is super cute. I'm still looking back. Every time we like reach a differently colored area, I'm like, I gotta check my list. I gotta check my list. Aw, Theory, thanks for giving the 50 stars. That's funny. Oh, this is so cute. I did this right when I first started playing Animal Crossing. Wait, how? You guys, orange table. You guys, orange table. I found, wait, how does that work? How have I found the red item and then the orange item? How have I found the red item and then the orange item? How, what do you mean? What do you mean? That's actually crazy. The first island and the second island. Lady Rose and Elliot gave birth to their second child today, and Stardew on Christmas. Oh, a Christmas baby. We're going down the list. I don't know. This is pretty sus. That's pretty sus how that worked out. But yeah, the items that I think we're gonna really struggle with, honestly, are the look, so I tried my best. I tried my best with the color indigo, okay? There aren't a lot of indigo colored items in Animal Crossing, but I think that that's going to be the one. If we don't find something, I think that that's going to be what we don't find, is the indigo bike. But it's a very indigo bike. And I was like looking and I was like, this is gonna, if I do this, this means that we're probably, I don't know if we're going to be able to find it, but you know, I tried. Hi, Mongoose. Welcome in. This is so cute. I like this island. I like the islands we visited so far in general. Imagine Scrundle, but it's all ACNH food. That would be so fun. That'd be really fun. Yeah, the whole island is really cute. And actually everything is color coded, which is also super cute. You have a suggestion for the indigo item? Is it Majora's Mask? Is that what it is? I'm just asking. Actually, there's like an exercise area over there. Let me take a look. Let me take a look. This island is really cute though. Oh, pumpkin patch. I love pumpkins. Oh, wrong bike. Knew it. Yeah, how could we not know, honestly? But I don't see anything else, I believe. But now I feel like I'm mentally kind of going down the list like oh, we found this one and the next we're gonna find a yellow item, which would be really funny. Free, aw, cute. This island is very cute. I like it a lot. But I like all the islands. I think that Animal Crossing is just so fun because you can really let everybody's creativity shine through. Oh my god, look at this little store. This is so heckin' cute, guys. Aw. This is so cute. Wow, I love this. I'm like, oh god, like market items, cafes, anything with food. Anything with food I always love so much. All right, let's talk to the imposter, Luna. And go back. I want to wake up just to go to sleep again. And we're gonna be off to island number 3. I'm remembering to make tallies, don't worry. I am remembering. Finished your nighttime routine. Oh my gosh, you're in pajamas and all cozy. That sounds really nice. I did that right before stream. I have my tea. I'm also in my pajamas. We're vibing together on the Twitch Pride Guild raid train. I'm having so much fun. I hope you guys are having fun too. It instead is the message that anyone starts the message with JC. Wait, what? Sorry, I'm half reading the conversation you guys are having. All right, do you guys think we're gonna find the yellow item next? That would be crazy. That would be like actually insane. I feel like we won't. But am I just doubting? We'll have to see. But yeah, I'm trying to think. I feel like I had something else I wanted to talk about and I already forget. It would be funny. I think it would be funny too. I think it would be really funny. But yeah, it's been, in general, our Pride Month has been very, very active over here. Like for me personally in general, and then also on our channel. We've been a part of a lot of really lovely Pride and charity events in general this month, which has been really, really nice. Our community raised, oh my gosh, I need to remember the amounts. I think it was $800 for Rainbow Railroad, and we did that all throughout an event called Shinies for Good, where we raised money with other Pokemon content creators. We did a lot of shiny hunting and it was really exciting. And then we raised, I think, was it $421 for Trans Lifeline, which was also really exciting. And then this is I think our 3rd Pride event, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe our 3rd Pride event that we've been a part of in general on this channel. Wait, it was called SV Farm. Any chance that means Stardew Valley Farm? Any chance? And ironically, these streams have been the most Pride I've done all month. Honestly, Cece, though, I'm really happy to be able to make a space for you guys to enjoy Pride, even if you're not like going outside and going to like, you know, Pride festivals and things like that. I'm glad to be here to celebrate with you all via the internet because this is still celebration, you know? We're all here together, and that makes me really happy. Yeah, there was a dono war. The only time I will allow a war is when it's for charity. My fit, what am I wearing? I'm so glad you asked. I'm a caterpillar. This was the one this was the one rainbow item I owned. I am in a caterpillar costume. Yes, you should play Stardew. I love Stardew Valley. And also, look at this farm. It's fall. Oh my god, I haven't been checking the villagers. I just realized. I just forgot how to check my phone. Oh my god, you don't even know how many hours I have in Animal Crossing, and I forgot how to check my phone. My hair doesn't scream worm. Oh, I'm actually really close to being a worm. All right, guys, so we have yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet items. Unfortunately, we're on a very red and orange island, but you never know. Yeah, people were so generous during all of our charity streams, and honestly, it's super appreciated. It makes me feel it's a very like fulfilling and humbling, and I don't even know how to describe it, experience to be able to, you know, use my platform to host events such as that to like make a difference in people's lives. And I'm really proud proud of us. I'm really proud of everything that we did. Thank you, Richie. Thank you for being here. Oh my God. I love this. Sorry. I love this. I can't get to the other side. But I love this. Oh my God. Wait, guys, look at this. I'm like, you know, honestly, this is a valid explanation of how I'm feeling right now. Me full of rainbows, but my brain looks like this. My brain looks like this. It looks like fall. That is so funny. This is so cute. I love this. I love the outdoor dining areas. I like this island. Would you love... You guys would never love me if I was a worm. We already know that. Some of you would. Some of you told me you would. Some of you told me you wouldn't. Gary and fall vibes, that's exactly it. Like, these are the vibes I want always. I think that it works. Yeah, Sleepless would. Sleepless would love me. Me and like one other person, that's so true. This is so true. I think also I remember this because it was really funny because Pyri said they would love me if I was a worm, but not a spider. And I won't forget that because it was so funny. It was super, super funny. Wait, this island is really beautiful though, by the way. I really like how they have the individual like houses plots set up with these little hollies here. This is so pretty. You said yes? Thanks, guys. Thanks for being on my side. Thanks, I guess. Thanks, I guess. Love me some KK Slider. All right, I'm gonna still explore because it's really nice here. Although sometimes I feel like when I'm on an island, I know oh my, I don't know where I am. I know that I probably won't find what we're looking for, but that's okay. Oh my God, look at the gyroids. This island is so, wow, it must have taken them forever to plant all these. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is so beautiful. Wait, I want to steal this idea for my fall island, which I can never stream again unless I switch my docks around after I got a Switch 2. I realized that. This is so beautiful. I don't like or hate musicals. Like, I would watch musicals, but I'm not one to really know a lot about musicals in general. Hi, Falco! Yeah, we're raid training! We already found a red item and then an orange item, which feels like we're cheating because it was right in a row. But now we broke it on the third island because I don't think we're going to find a yellow item here. How are you, though? Welcome in. Are you well rested? I hope you are, at least. Guys, this island is so beautiful, though. I'm so happy that we found it. This is one of the fun things about, like, going to random dream addresses. Also, I want to eat curry by the lake. Oh, love that. Is K-pop Demon Hunters a musical? Then I love musicals. You just cut the grass? Nice. Hi, Chaos Heart. Welcome in. I hope it was nice outside. It's really rainy here. I'm glad you're well rested. I want to sleep in tomorrow a little bit, I think. All right, guys. Even though this island is really beautiful, I don't think we're going to find anything else we're looking for here just based on the theme. I was wondering if maybe we could find a froggy chair, but it doesn't seem like... Oh my God, this is so cute. It doesn't seem like we can find that either. Oh, I love this. I love it so much. I need to watch La La Land. I've never seen that before. I've seen musicals on Broadway before. Does that count? Does that count? I live not very far. Well, not super close, but not very far. Thank you, Chaos Heart. Wait, Sleepless, what does that mean? Where is the... Oh my God, wait, their resident services, the plaza is so far, it's all the way on the right. That's crazy. You love Epic? I feel like I know all of the Epic songs because every single person in my life knows all the Epic songs and I listen to them. And then I like via them, not via me, like via them. Broadway is the musical. I think you should give a listen to Waving Through the Window from Dear Evan Hassan. Those are all new words to me. You've been to Broadway, but not the Broadway that makes musicals. That's fair. I know I've seen Phantom of the Opera. I've seen a one-man show of A Christmas Carol, and I saw something else, and I don't remember what it was. I was young. All right, island number 4. I have some hope, but I'm still scared. I have some hope, but I'm still scared. I also just don't trust my eyes. I don't trust my eyes. Y'all, we have yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet to go. A Kaguya sing-along? That'd be really nice. I'm debating on what book I want to read next after I finish the manga I'm reading. I don't know. I might read Cosmic Princess Kaguya. I have a lot of options. I have so many books. I always feel like too, whenever I think to myself, oh, I'm gonna read this book next. I never do. I'm like, my eyes see another book and I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot I had that. Oh yeah, I forgot I had that. I forgot I had that. Like a crazy person. I might be like that. All right, let's go to surprise me. So this is island number 4 and I remembered to take a tally. I'm trying real hard, guys. I'm trying real hard to remember to count the islands. I'm trying real hard to keep my eyes super open for the items. I'm trying hard. Also, I'm getting text messages about plans. I have so many plans coming up. Guys, I'm not used to having so many plans. Like, just in general, I have so many plans. I just forgot about books. I mean, I see them all the time, but you are right. You are right. I forgot I have things. Big eye moment. I don't know exactly how I have to blink for my eyes to do that thing where they get really big randomly. Now I'm trying. Now I'm trying. Oh, I did it once. I don't think it happens. Stop. Open your eyes and look down. I don't know. Ooh. Anyway. Okay, we're continuing onward. Let's take a look at the villagers. I forgot to do this in the beginning because usually I have like villagers that we're looking for, but we're not actually looking for any villagers. Like sometimes I put them in the scavenger hunt, but we are just looking for items. I would hope that my rainbow caterpillar costume will, you know, send the items to us. I don't know if it works like that, but I'm summoning them. I'm summoning all the rainbows. We do have a lot of rainbow flowers though, which is nice. Oh, and a gym. Wow. Oh, and everybody's house was on this side of the island. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Our follow alerts are anonymous. You can feel free to sit back and lurk or introduce yourself if you'd like. And if anybody is new here too, if anybody's been following the train and you are new to my stream, my name is Luna. It's really nice to meet you. I play variety games on Twitch. I'm a VTuber that sometimes has a face, so if I jump scare you with my face cam, I'm really sorry. And I tend to play a variety of games. Right now, I'm really into Pokopia. I'm really into Tomodachi Life. I play a lot of Splatoon, and I'm an artist. And I usually try to stream art once a week as long as I have time to prepare art for stream. But that's a little bit about me, and I'm really excited to be here. This is my first Twitch Pride Guild raid train. Happy Pride! Welcome in, welcome in. How is your Pride going? I hope it's been really fun. I was saying how... Bill! Wait, I didn't even see Bill. I love him. I was saying that I've been to 2 Prides this year, which were both super crazy and super fun. It's been a really, really eventful and exciting June, but I'm ready to hibernate after this during the summer months because I am not a summer enjoyer. I'm not a summer enjoyer. I'm actually really ready for fall right after Pride Month ends. And then I'm like, July, pff, no hot weather, please. Only if it's a nice beach day. I like a nice beach day. Actually, the plans I just got a text message about were about a beach day. There are other ways of persuasion. Wait, for what? For the summer? Pride Month has been so wacky. It's fun. You've been loving it. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna really miss this energy when it becomes July and all of the queer kids go back into their homes because they'll all melt in the sun. It's me. It's me. It's just been so much fun and full of whimsy, honestly. Every Pride that I've been to, just everyone's been like so happy. And like, I just feel like there was like an energy that like I don't always see every day with everybody just being so happy and whimsical. And I never want that to go away from me. And I know that it's never gonna really leave us. Like, we're always gonna be here and whimsical. Also, I can't find the exit, send help. But I'm just saying in general, you know, like it's just so nice. It's just so nice in general. Oh, you're all saying, okay, I couldn't tell what was the song lyric and what wasn't. Summer, yeah, I just don't like sweating. I don't like sweating and feeling really hot. That's not my thing. Save Richie melting. No melting. No melting. No melting allowed. We just get spooky after this. What's the yellow thing? Oh, it's a capsule machine. It's a capsule machine. I'm sorry if it's a little too yellow against the yellow I chose now that I'm looking at it. Sorry. It's like a gotcha. I couldn't think of that word in any language. I did enjoy. It's been really fun. It's been crazy though. The first Pride I went to was on like a super, super hot day. Like it was so hot that my friend and I had to like take a break. Like we were outside roasting and we absolutely had to stop to like get like food or something. And actually even the Pride I went to over the weekend, like the temperature wasn't bad, but the sun made it terrible. Cam and I were melting. Cam and I were not built for this. You don't have your glasses? Oh, okay. When I traveled this weekend, the weather was perfect and you were sad when you got home. Yeah, because it's not so humid. Yeah. Humid. Let's get this place humid. I don't know what it was, but you do have your glasses on. Oh yeah, it's a little on mobile. I'm sorry. It's probably a lot easier to see on desktop. I can't make them that much bigger though, because I feel like they'll take over the stream space. Okay, so this is island number 5. I really hope I didn't miss anything so far. We have another hour and a half. I'm nervous. I'm nervous when we find things. Also, I did get the place, the Pokopia humid, by the way. I did do that off stream because I had like a freak out. I had a freak out that for some reason, I wasn't going to be able to do the Jirachi event if I didn't get my Pokemon Center built in time. I still don't have my Pokemon Center built, but I proceeded in the story because I love Jirachi and I have not played a recent game with Jirachi in it, and so I got really excited. Not bad. So humid here. Oh yeah, you're a realty photographer. Yeah, that must be really difficult to go outside and take pictures in this weather right now. Also, wait, we're on a cherry blossom island. My island is a cherry blossom island. That makes me emotional. If anybody, by the way, is just watching and vibing for Animal Crossing, I would like to show you guys, I redid my dream address recently, so if you would like to see my island, because I know that we're kind of trying to speed run random DAs right now, you can visit mine there if you are ever like to. Mine is also, my island also looks like this. You think the Pokemon Center takes an IRL day to finish? Okay, so this Saturday I'm doing a 6-hour Pokopia stream, and I want to do the Jirachi event during that stream. Also, this is going to be a cute hecking island. Oh no, this is going to be so cute. But so now I feel like maybe I should rebuild the Pokemon Center the day before the stream then, now that I'm thinking about it. That might be a good idea so that we can do the event on stream, right? Aw, thank you, Nye. Thank you. Oh yeah, and sorry, your message was deleted from the swear. We're a family-friendly channel. I'm sorry. Wow, wait, look at how cute all this is. Oh, wait, I can't change out of my caterpillar costume though. It's Pride. I have to be a rainbow. Here. Oh my god, I love when people leave presents. My island also has presents. It's so fun. I want to hold something. A balloon! Wait, I'm gonna hold a balloon. Okay, I'm holding a balloon. Okay, we're going. This is the whimsy I want in the world. The heart sweater works too, but then I won't have pants. You're right though. Yeah, I actually have no idea what's happening in the chat. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, look at this! Look at the hearts! Look at the hearts! Is this island just gonna... No, you're fine, you're fine. This is so cute! This is so heckin' cute. Sorry, I got so shocked. I forgot what we're doing. These are the kinds of islands, though, that, like, really distract me. Like, that I'm just like, oh, dang, we're doing a rainbow scavenger hunt. Okay, I got this, I got this, I got this. That was so heckin' cute. Oh, no. See, random dream addresses are just so fun. I love when people make fake strawberries. This is so creative. Have you guys seen when people do this before? They take the flowers and then they save their dream address at the exact perfect time so that they don't fully bloom, and then they look like strawberry bushes. And I just think that's so heckin' creative. People that play Animal Crossing are so creative. I should make one. Wait, I should make what? What should I make? What should I make? I will make it. I will make it. I'm already forgetting what I'm saying. The strawberry patch is so cute, yeah? Oh, this island is so adorable. I feel like there's a chance we could maybe see a froggy chair here. Like I'm getting the vibes that maybe we could see that. This was also saved recently because the Zelda items are here. All right, chat, you have your eyes peeled with me. I'm trying very hard. I'm trying very, very hard to look at the rainbow items. I have I know. Are you sure I have a mission? This looks so cute. Okay, sorry. I am on a mission. You're not looking? Okay, thanks for having my back. Thanks so much. No, I get it. This is my mission. It's our mission if you guys also want to look with me for the items on the side of the screen. You're welcome home. Yeah, thanks. No, I got this. I'm not so distracted, maybe. I like how they hid their buildings. This is very cute. I love this island. Wait, did I immediately get distracted after saying that? I'm having like brain forget. Like I say something and then I immediately forget what I say. Oh! The heart's moving. Oh, that's the Zelda item, right? No, it has to be. So on the left-hand side of my screen, there's a list of items that I have chosen that we're looking for the scavenger hunt. So far we found a red mushroom and we found the orange table. So now we're looking for the yellow gotcha machine, the green froggy chair, the blue fish, the little duck, baby duck pool, an indigo bike, which I think that's going to be very hard, and a violet moon. But this island is like really pink coated, so I don't know if we're gonna, the only thing I could think is maybe the froggy chair because there's also like a lot of elements of green. But in general, this is just so cute. I'm not so distracted, looks into the camera like I'm in the office. Shh. Oh my God. I'm not looking at that. Oh, you were mimicking me. I think that's what you were doing. No, we're not, but it sounds fun, right? It sounds fun. Playing Duck Sim. Not today, we're on a mission. We're on a mission, and this island is adorable. Let me show you guys the dream address. In case anyone's curious, you could take a screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But I don't think we're gonna find anything on here. Although this island is very cute, and I feel like this is, I wanna look at this again. The hearts on the floor are just so cute. It still sounds like our mission. It does. It actually does. All right, guys, that was island number 5. I can't believe we found 2 things so fast. It's really tough because we've done a lot of scavenger hunts on stream. Like we've done this quite a few times. I usually try to do a couple like every other season or something like that, like on this channel. We haven't done one in a while, but I think the last one we did, we might have not found every single item. I think we didn't find it, just we were 1 short, but it's always kind of like hit or miss, you know? Like I never really know whether I'm making it too easy, whether I'm making it difficult. I don't know until I kind of like go on and start to like look at islands. But then sometimes if we do like, for example, a fall themed scavenger hunt and we get a fall themed random dream address and we find everything in 1 island, then we just find everything. So it really is like, you're really at the mercy of what kind of islands you find. If we found a rainbow themed island, that would be super heckin' cool. Actually, or a kid core island. Finding a kid core island, I feel would be pretty good too, because I feel like a kid core island would have a lot of these items. Actually, kid core is like, I think the style that's like the exact opposite of like my decorating style. But because it's so different from how I decorate, I love to see when people make kid core islands. I think they're really fun. I still remember when they deliberately included the froggy chair in that one Animal Crossing update trailer. They just knew. They just knew. They were like, yeah, everyone's gonna love this. I am so excited though for whenever the next Animal Crossing game comes out. I know it won't be a while, but I have my Switch too, and I am ready. I am so ready. I will say though, I really need to, guys, if you guys have any recommendations for Switch 2 cases that you like that are not too basic, but also not the kind of case that you can also pack the dock. I don't like I never unearth my dock. It is glued to my desk essentially with my capture card. I'm down for recommendations because I need a case, and like right now, basically all my games are still in my Switch 1 case with my Switch 1, and my Switch 2 just like sits on my desk because I don't know where to do with it. I don't have a case for it yet. Oh my god, it's gonna come out in 2048. That would be awful. That'd be so awful. Yeah, but I think I saw the Splatoon Raiders case, but I don't think it was that cute. I don't remove my, yeah, it just stays there. To be honest, it wouldn't, the dock isn't as hard to move as like removing the capture card, but I still am not gonna move it. You just use your ink tank bag as your case for your Switch, but this is not like too big. I want it to like sit nicely. Yeah, you can post a link. Hold on. Let me give you permission. All right, guys, back on the hunt. We have Raymond here. Is this like, is it cute or is it cursed? Oh, that's cute. Wait, that is cute. Wait, you know what's funny is I haven't even thought, oh wait, I have my own stream up because I was watching the person who rated us, and then I had my own stream up on my on my computer. Cool. Okay. Yeah, like that kind of a size of a case. I haven't even looked at the Nintendo website, like in general. You have a small EV case. Oh, for the games. I've seen those. Those are cute too. Most of the places you're going with your Switch will be a friend's place or or the LAN, so it's useful for other things. That's also true. That is also very true. I like having like a case where I know it's like really secure. Especially because to me, it's still a new console. So like, I'm afraid. Like, I feel like my Switch 1 is like low-key a brick. But the Switch 2, I'm just like, oh, this expensive thing. I need to have a proper case. Like, I can't take it out in the wild yet. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at all these flowers. If I were here, I'd be sneezing. But it's so cute. I do, well, okay, can you blame me? Can you blame me for acting like it would be cursed? Can you blame me, really? It is a new shiny toy. But now, guys, now I'm distracted mentally thinking about how I have to rebuild my Pokemon Center so we can do the Jirachi event for our long stream on Saturday. Oh my god, they gave Red a sign. I love Red. Finally, someone that also loves Red. Someone that loves him just like I do. Bye, enjoy your shower to wake up. Hi, Crosslass. No, I haven't played Champions. Are you having fun? By those standards, how do you treat the alternate island Switch? It's in a case. It's in my Splatoon 2 case. And then my Switch 1 is in my Splatoon 3 case. And then my Switch 2 is not in my Splatoon 4 case. I love Red is so cute. I like foxes though a lot. If there's a fox character in the game, that one's probably my favorite. The link is something you might enjoy. So JC isn't being evil this time. I did click it. I did. I could also see the name in the thing. So I was like, oh. Speaking of Mimikyu though, since that case that JC shared had Mimikyu on it, my brother for my birthday, I don't know if I shared a picture in my server. I was probably distracted by the Switch too, but my brother for my birthday got me a huge, to me it's huge. It's a pretty big Mimikyu plushie, but I have nowhere to put it. So it lives on the, it's like the couch plushie. It's the plushie that lives on the couch. And sometimes, like when my cousin comes home, he's like, sometimes I see the Mimikyu in the window and I think that's you sitting at the couch. Like its head is probably the same size as my head, but of course it has ears. But I just think that's really funny. You can like see it. And I was like, oh, rip. Mimikyu, yeah, the couch guardian for sure. All right, guys, I don't think that this island is gonna have anything that we're looking for. They have a bike, but see, people gotta have the Indigo bike. Don't they know people gotta have the Indigo bike? Because that's the bike that we're looking for. Yeah, you have a mini Mimikyu? I have so many Pokemon plushies. I don't know when I have accumulated so many Pokemon plushies, but I have so many Pokemon plushies. They're like overflowing. Like I can't buy any. I really can't buy any more massive Eevee and Eeveelution plushies. I literally don't have space for it anymore. Well, I could make space. No, I'm not gonna tell myself I could make space. That's why Mimikyu is on the couch, because I don't think I could fit him in my room. I know unless is right. That's what I tell myself whenever I'm in Japan and I think something's not gonna fit in my suitcase. I'm like, no. I can fit a massive Eevee and my massive Mega Banette in my case. I mean, shh. I might be arguing with my inner self. This may be true. It might be true. All right, guys, this is island number... Wait, did I tally already? This is either 7 or 8. I think I tallied. Oh God, I knew I was gonna start forgetting. I was so locked in. And then yeah, oops. Well, it's island 7 or 8. I can't be that far off because this is the first time I forgot. Just one more piece of Larry merch. No more pieces of Larry merch. All right, surprise me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more items still. Oh, that's nice, Frostlass. See, they just make so many cute Pokemon plushies. I just want them all. Is that so much to ask? There's too many good ones. Oh God, there's so many good ones. Lions. Liones. Lions. That's where we're going. Hi, Incog. How are you? Welcome in. A giant spear. Oh, yeah, that would be so cute. Imagine if they made that one like the fluffy ones, like of my Eevees. I don't remember what they're called. Did you like my Spanish? Is it Liones? Do you think it's full of lions? Hi, Naru. Thank you for the lurk. Oh my gosh, how was your workout? I also, to be honest, my body is so tired from my workout that I did yesterday, but there's no lions here. I still did an exercise today, and I feel like tomorrow my body's just gonna be so mad at me. Oh, you'd cry if you got one. That would be so nice. At least they'd be happy tears. They'd be so happy. Yeah, it's really fun finding plushies of like your favorite character or anything like that. You should do yours, but you're so comfy listening to stream. That's fair. I have a very hard time exercising like really late in the day, so I don't blame you for that. I actually went to the gym yesterday, so your muscles burn even more. No. I'm sorry. You're suffering another heat wave. Oh my gosh, are we all okay? Everybody relax. Tired from work. It's relax time. I give you all permission. None of you have anything to do. Maybe don't listen to me if you actually really have something to do. You're all here to relax with us and vibe and explore islands and look for rainbows. Because that's what life's about, right? Yeah, I do hope that you've all in general had a good day and you've had some time today to rest. Look at the pumpkins. You're not working right now anyway, right? No, you're not working right now. I didn't say you could stop working in general. I wish I could tell myself I could stop working in general. It's always a good day when nice streams and when you guys are all here. Yes, you have to watch more Apothecary Diaries. That's true. I have to read it tonight. Let's see. I keep feeling like we find islands that have the vibes to have a froggy chair, but I don't see. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at this little seaside painting. Yay, not at work. Apart from the heat wave, you've been enjoying watching a new show. What show are you watching? That was so heckin' cute, right? Oh my God, I love people and their creativity and all the item layering they can do. So many good ideas. I wish, like, God. Wait, did you see something? Did you see something? Did you see something? Bottom left? Did I miss something? Did I miss? What did I miss? You're so... Oh my God. Cece, thank you for being my eyes. Cece found a froggy chair. We can't sit in it, but we found a froggy chair. That was such a good eye. See, this is why I appreciate you all. That was crazy, Cece. Good job. Good job. Was it an indigo bike? Yeah, we found a froggy chair. That's our green item. That's our green item today. Yay! So we have red, orange, and green. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was such a good eye. Thank you, Cece. And let's see. Sleepless saw a bike, so let's keep our eyes peeled. It's a very difficult colored bike. Oh no, it's not. Boo. Boo. Good eyes though, guys. Good eyes. So we're almost halfway there. I'm just saying, we gotta find one really good rainbow island. Then I think we'll find anything. Come on, there has to be a Rainbow Island somewhere in the random shuffle of dream addresses, right? Yay, Froggy Chair. It is so cute. They should make those in real life. I feel like they would sell them. Could you imagine like an IKEA Animal Crossing collab where they made IRL Froggy Chairs? They would make bank. I would buy one. I don't know where I would put it, but I would buy one. It's called Half Man. It's a Scottish actor and comedian about a two stepbrothers and some sort of a time where being queer was looked down upon, and it was very deep / close to home. All other topics and explores a more adult show, but the queer aspect drew me, and it's a nice way to end Pride Month. Oh, I'm glad you found that show, and it's nice, Naru. Thank you for sharing. Surprise. Yeah, wouldn't that be so cute? IKEA crossing now with meatballs and froggy chairs. Oh my god. I think that they could make a lot more of money though. I didn't know you could turn the light on that bike. That's really cute. It's really cute even if it's not the bike that I need. Oh my god, look at the little sun in the sand. There's so many cute things you can do in this game. Holy heck. This is so... sorry, this island is so hecking cute. Look at this. The amount of little blankets that they have set up everywhere is so cute. The flowers with the little telescope. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. What in the cute cottage core is all this? Oh, look, it's David. And a turtle. Wow, a turtle. Yeah, me. A green shell. I've never seen that in my life. Yeah, I think that they would sell out too. The Animal Crossing fans would go crazy, honestly. I love the fact that the man who directed it and even acted is also bisexual. That's great. Shout out to all the bisexual people. Rah! Where's Costco Crossing? Good question. Next time you go to Japan, swing by Nintendo HQ, say Froggy Chair, IKEA, Kudasai. I'll just like send a little paper airplane with like a drawing on it and be like, I would like this. Taps paper. There's so many bikes on this island too, but none of them are the one that we need. None of them are the one. This is so... I can't get over how cute this island is. Wow. It's just like so fun to see everything that everybody can do. Thank you for the 30 stream streak, Incog. Thank you so much. Dude, do I have a plan? There's been so many stream streaks today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watching silly old me just run around and look for things. Thank you for your daily night. All right, I'm happy we found something here. I'm gonna mark a tally. So I'm pretty sure that was Island 7. And now we're going to Island 8. What time is it? Okay, we have another hour. We have another hour. We're almost halfway there. Anything can happen. We never know. We never know. I'm surprised we haven't seen the little rubber duck pond though, or the moon. I feel like those are items you see kind of often. We did see one moon, but it was orange. So let's see, let's see. I believe in us. I think I do. You saw another moon, but it was pink. Yeah, I'm keeping my eye open for the purple. What color is mine? Oh, mine's yellow. I love that item so much. I wish I had one IRL. Could you imagine having one of those moons? Like, and you could just like have it on as like an ambient light in the evening. That would be so nice. There's a lot of items in Animal Crossing that I think would be really cute IRL. Like the frog chair. Why can't we have these things? All right, guys, halfway there. Halfway through our slot on the raid train. Oh, we can do this. We gotta find stuff. Let's see. I'm gonna jinx it probably, but we haven't found any like totally bare islands yet. Every now and then that does happen. Every now and then we'll find an island that has just like one flower and I'm like, oh. A croissant sounds so good. I had a really, really good almond croissant on Sunday. It was so yummy. I got that and a lemon blueberry muffin. I ate really bad on Sunday though. Like as in I was so busy I didn't have time to eat meals, which is super unlike me. So I had the almond croissant for breakfast and then I had the blueberry lemon muffin for dinner. Like I just saved it and then that was what I ate while I played Pokopia after being really tired from all my plans. I love space stuff so much. When you move out, you fully intend to get one of those moon lamps for your room. That sounds really nice. I bet that's gonna look really cool. outer space is cool. Hi, Lucario. Yeah, it was that was girl dinner. I was so tired on Sunday. And I just got, so not this weekend, but next weekend also, I am going to have full weekend plans, it seems. But hopefully it'll be a little bit more relaxing. Knock on wood. At least by idea. By plan. Welcome back, Winter. Let's go. Well, okay, so we're greeted by some evergreen ashes. Somewhere Ahmed sneezed as I said evergreen ash. And we have some cool residents here. I like Billy a lot. Let us see. The world is not ready for when you have all the monies and space to do your dream interior decorating. I love that for you, though. I hope that you'll be able to do your dream interior decorating. I do get July 3rd off. I get July 3rd off, I'm pretty sure, but I honestly, though, I might need to double check. I'm pretty sure I have July 3rd off, but I booked an 8 a.m. Japanese lesson that day. So I will be up early. I will be up early. I could move it if I wanted to. I might move it. We'll see. I feel kind of bad sometimes moving it because I just have like a private tutor. And so sometimes I'm like, I feel bad like moving stuff around, if that makes sense. Because then I don't know. I feel kind of bad moving it. So we'll see if I have the power to wake up for that. Oh my God, look at, oh my God. Love this. What the heck? This is so cute. You guys have July 3rd off? Sounds so good. Almond croissant with honey is your favorite? That sounds really yummy. And Morning French croissant secret, but I need to tell you, almond croissants is the croissant of the previous day with almond on it. Is that why they're so good? Are they aged? Are they aged? You have the 3rd off? I think I do. I feel like probably everybody does, right? It's the least they can give me for living in this country. It's giving me a day off. Oh my God, it looks like they were testing their paths. But yeah, I very sillily booked a Japanese lesson at 8 a.m. So I have that, but it's okay. I feel like I'm usually awake anyway at that time, but yeah, might be. You had an almond croissant from the airport and it was $10? That's crazy. Airport food is so expensive. You don't know, CC, I'm sorry. I wish everyone have all the days off. I want to have forever off. I don't want to work anymore. I don't want to climb a corporate ladder. I want to just be a rainbow caterpillar running around in the flowers. Not too much to ask. Is it really too much to ask? You're clean and mildly awake. That's good. What are your plans today? What are you doing? Actually, I saw your messages and I haven't opened them yet. There's a lot of flowers here. Sorry, there's so many flowers here. You want to be in your bed? Go to sleep. Croissant. A croissant. Guys, how do I get out? Yeah, 10 is a lot. Guys, I don't think I can get out. Plans for tonight, routing. Are you gonna read? Can you tell me what chapter you're on? Do you wanna play Pocopia? I have to make my thing. Actually, can we play Pocopia together? Or no? I don't know how that multiplayer works. Okay, guys, I'm losing the mission. I'm losing the plot. You should play Pocopia. Yeah, do the event. Why sleep? It's 3 a.m. for me. Oh my God, Vienna. Get your sleep if you need to, but I also sometimes understand the want to just like stay awake and be silly. I try not to stay awake and be silly, but sometimes we do. I know I'm bad, but I'm back. Back. Very back. And by very back, I mean I think we need to go to another island. The Moon Forest. That sounds cool. Do you think there's a purple moon here? No. This would be the perfect place for a purple moon, though. Why don't they put a purple moon in here? In the Moon Forest, it's all purple themed. That row. Dang, that would have been such a perfect item. The purple duck pool. Yeah, we need the blue one. We need the blue one. I said I was going to be strict. Although there's a lot of whimsy, so I feel like there's still... I have like a little bit of hope, but there's just so many flowers on this island. And it looks like they were maybe in the middle of making something here. On to the next one. We need to go to another island literally seconds later. Moon Forest. I'm just saying it was there. It looked cool. But now we're going to island number 9. I still have hope. I think that we can find the duck pool, and I think we can find the moon. I worry about the indigo bike and then the yellow gacha. They knew you needed flowers for the 5-star rating and took it too seriously. I think it's just like they must have just let them overgrow and they were like, yep, these are good. But it makes a rainbow, and then that's good. We like rainbows. We like rainbows. Right. Island number 9. You guys want to see my rainbow octopus again? Some people didn't like it. Some people didn't like it. I'm gonna show you it anyway. I'm gonna show you it anyway. Hello. I'm gonna show it for the people that weren't here earlier. Got it. Look, I got this at Pride. Look how cute it is. They ran out of bisexual octopi, so I bought a rainbow one. Hand reveal. Wow! Isn't it so cute though? Isn't it so cute? Sorry, I'm not very good at showing things on stream. I think it's super cute. But someone said something not like it wasn't cute, and I was like, what do you mean? It's so heckin' cute. Why isn't my stream deck working? There we go. You want to eat it? Cam was with me when I bought it. It was graced by Cam's presence. Ugh, I can't put it back. Okay. It's just a little guy. Isn't it so cute? If you don't complete it, then you owe us 50. What? No, I don't. No, I don't. Then you guys can all gamble 50K. Isn't it so cute? It's so heckin' cute. No, I was graced by your present. Hee hee. I had so much fun. I was so tired though. I think I'm not still tired from it, but I feel like this whole weekend leading into this week, I've just been so tired. My brain is so tired. I feel like I need to I think I'm like kind of in that mood where I feel like I really just need a day where I do like literally nothing, like no work, like no anything. And I don't have a day like that for a long time. Maybe the 3rd, but even then on the 3rd, God, I should move that Japanese lesson. You know what? I'm gonna move that Japanese lesson. I'm gonna move it. I said that I feel bad moving it. I'm gonna move it. I need sleep. I need sleep. I'm gonna move it if I have the day off. I should figure that out. If you don't complete, JC has to gamble all. He might. Oh, it's really raining here. Cancel everything. No studies, no work. Only play. It lightninged. Where are we? Oh no, was it fireworks? Can you have fireworks on a dream island? That looked like fireworks. I didn't think you could have fireworks on a dream island though. Did you guys see the light flashing? No, they're the wrong colors! Wait, so this is the yellow item. This is the yellow item, but they're the wrong colors. No! Nope, it's not yellow. We'll just have to hope they have one of those too. But wait, hold on. This island though, this island is so my vibe. Oh God, I need to try to not spend so much time on this island. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, that they might have it yellow somewhere. I love this vibe. I love the over cluttered city look. Oh, they have Melba. Never mind. I mean, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Maybe we won't see her. Maybe we won't see her. Oh, this looks cool. You know what? I'm gonna take a screenshot of the dream address so that I can visit this at a later date. Thank you. Thank you, Cece. Because this is so cool. I just love, it's like so interesting to me too to like save your dream address in the rain. I think it's a really cool idea. Wait, so maybe there's a pool down here. Maybe. Or maybe not. I was like, it looks like there could be. Oh my God, she's so cute. This character is so cute. Thanks for the welcome. All right, guys. My eyes are peeled. Oh my God, they have the duck pond in another color too. I just saw it. Or the pool. That, oh gosh. Okay, well, we can just hope. This is promising. Let's see. Okie dokie. Wow, I love this island. I like islands where I feel like I can get really lost on it and where I kind of feel like I'm in a town or a city. Those are definitely my favorite. Is this the plank? Am I walking the plank right now? Uh-oh. All right, let's see. Very cool. I see something cool behind me. Walk the plank. No! The plank. Plank. I'm a pirate. What is all that? That's cool because it looks like a city. Do you see that? Yeah, Min, what is happening? What was that? Was it just the light? Did you see that? Is something exploding on this island? Is it cursed? It's a Mario Odyssey reference? Oh, lightning. It's like crazy lightning. Wow. They got really lucky on this day to save the dream address in this weather, though, if this is what they were going for. That's so cool. Wow. Wow, look at that. That looks so cool. It really looks like a skyline. Wow. Okay, I'm getting distracted. We're on a mission. We're on a mission. We are on our rainbow scavenger hunt mission. See, it's hard when you find islands that you really like. Fresh sushi. I'm distracted. Oh god, that house is probably so cool. I'm going in. I'm going in. One house. One house. Okay, it's not super decorated. It's probably so cool in there. I'll do it after stream. I'll do it another day. I screenshotted it. So I know I left. It just takes the load times are so long. No. Oh. That's cool. Hey, look at these trains. These trains look like real trains. Oh. Just the one house. Wow. Not anymore because Switch 2. Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean? Man, I'm so sad that we found 2 items but in the wrong colors though. Because that would have been so perfect. It really would have been so perfect. Oh yeah, that's true. It didn't actually take that long. Is that really even faster down to when you go inside of the houses? This is a really interesting island. I feel like now I'm on a different island. Like the vibes changed a lot and it's really cool. Man, I know I've been saying it like every island, but people are just like so creative. And some people's islands just feel so big. Like it feels like there's so much space here. But then again, I feel like that's often a vibe you feel when you're not on your own island. I feel like whenever I'm on my own island, I feel like it's really small. And then when I'm on other people's islands, I feel like they're so big. Okay, I don't know if I can get over there. I think I'm lost. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is this the, oh god. Am I lost? No. I think we haven't gone to like the bottom right-hand side. When your island is loaded to the max. Yeah. Who would have their island so cluttered with items? Not me. Surely not me. But yeah, definitely like when there's so many items, it feels like so much bigger. For sure. I need to go to like the bottom right side though. What am I lying about? Oh, I just lied. You're right. I did lie. Never mind. Wow, my streamer brain is so bad today. My streamer brain just be something else today, let me tell you. I don't think we went over here. It's green. Oh my god, it's green! No, it's green! Oh no, but why not make it yellow? So close! I know I saw the pool of the wrong color too. Rip! So close, so close. That's okay, I still have faith. I still have faith we can find like one Kid Core Island or one Rainbow Island and find everything. That's what that's what I'm hoping for. This island is so hecking cool though. I've really enjoyed it here. Under the right light, it could look yellow. No, I won't cheat. I won't cheat. But you're right though. But it's definitely green. And like the yellow one is all yellow too. This one has like white accents. But that's why I chose it for the scavenger hunt, was because it was all yellow. I was like, perfect. This is the most yellow item in the game. Oh, this is a very cool island though. I really, really liked it a lot. Very interesting concept, really interesting design. We're going to go on now to our 10th island. The 10th is a charm. Maybe that's a saying somewhere. 10th time is a charm. I think this is so fun though. I think it's so fun to just relax and vibe and just like run around. Because running around in Animal Crossing is one of the best things to do in Animal Crossing in general. Also, I think that Twitch changed the UI, or my OBS changed the UI of the, like whenever there's an announcement in my channel, I noticed it when there were shout outs being given earlier too. Like my OBS just is displaying things differently and it keeps like making me like do a double take. I'm like, why does my OBS look like this in the chat? Blue machine, yellow machine, mix them up. And what do you get? Yellow? What? Did you do the meme correctly? I don't know the meme, so I'll say yes. I'll just go ahead and say yes for you because I don't know. All right, I would like to dream. That was what my parents said when I was born. You were supposed to be born July 4th and you came out on the 10th. Oh. Oh, well, that's great. Thank you for the hydrate. So that means we're gonna find everything, right? In the stretch. I'm so afraid to stand up because my legs hurt so badly today. And I did an arm routine today and I feel like my arms are gonna be sore tomorrow. Stretch. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Bum, bum, bum. A lot of July birthdays. Wait, JC, when's your birthday? I'm gonna forget. You can tell me, but please tell me, but please let me know. I will, what? I will let you know I will forget. I'm really bad at remembering dates. July 12th. Wow, you guys have the same watch streak and almost the same birthday. Amazing. Do you think that it's related? Do you think it's related? This island is called Unicorn. That's a rainbow thing, right? Rainbow unicorns? Maybe? We're related. You're gonna be in Dallas then. Oh, that's cool. Are you excited? All right, chat. Lock in. Lock in. Cuties. Rosie's very cutie. You guys are, congratulations. It's related. It makes sense. Nothing is making sense. Okay, we have some cherry blossoms, which is nice. Very, very nice. This is a very different island from the one that we were just on. Wow. Wow, man. Wow. It's for... Oh, right, Cece. Oh, I hope that you can have fun. I hope that it'll be a nice time. I hope that it'll be a nice time, though. I don't know if I'm gonna go to any land this year. It's kind of sad, actually. Woods are no longer real. Wrong bike. I still believe in the power of Pride Month. I don't know. I still believe. I still believe we can find things. These paths are really cute, though. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, but there's not a lot on this island. And I think I might have jinxed it earlier when I said, wow, we haven't found an island that doesn't have a lot on it yet. But there's Pom Pom Pretty. That's pretty cool. This island has not very much, but it has Pom Pom Pretty. That's good, right? Whee! Running around at the speed of sound. Did you guys know it's Sonic's birthday today? Did you know? We'll check this side, but it doesn't seem like there's like too much really finished on this island. It doesn't seem like the items that we're looking for are going to be here. Maybe the moon, but just in general, I feel like the vibes of the island are like a little different. Happy birthday, Sonic. Only because you saw all the posts of it. Yeah. It was being reposted in my server too. You found it? Wait, what did you find? I assume not something on the stream. Oh, I understand now. I have seen this. Mazetara, mazetara, nani iru ni naru kana. Mix it. I wonder what color it will be. Oh, I don't speak. Is this French? I don't speak. French, is it okay just to chat again in English? I apologize. I can't speak this language. Would you mind typing in English if that's okay? If I'm not sure. You don't speak. I don't speak. You're more than welcome to chat in English. Or Japanese. That's also an option. Real talk, speaking is hard, honestly. Oh, yeah, no, sorry, hold on, let me add them and say, hold on. I'm sorry, I don't speak French. If you could type in English, that would be great. Yeah, hi Strider, welcome in. Or Japanese. But yeah, I'm sorry, I can't understand. Yeah, welcome in though, welcome in. You know, you'd think like being a streamer, you'd like be able to speak better. No, it just makes me speak worse. It just makes my brain speak worse. There's too much to pay attention to. Hello, good day, French is best. I don't speak Japanese. Oh yeah, I don't speak French, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Wait, did I spell something wrong? Oh, I did spell something wrong, no! What are you, Casey, what is happening? What is happening? I try very hard to speak kind of normal, but sometimes I feel like, especially when I'm live, my brain just says, my brain says, flatline. My brain does, it does this. Beep. just like that. It's amazing you can't understand a word of that. Wait, what are we oh my gosh, what is happening in the chat? You're French, Theana? Wait, that's cool. I don't speak any French though. I don't even think I could speak a word of French. Like I don't speak Spanish, but I can say like, hola, ¿cómo estás? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. En Leones. And now I can maybe understand a couple of other words, but I don't think I can speak any French. Was that convincing? I don't need to know more than that. Thank you. Hi, Amanda. Thank you for the lyric. I hope you're doing well. Oh my god, this is so funny. Oh, and dale. Wait, what does dale mean though? Like, see, I know some stuff from listening to Nai, but I don't know anything else. Hi, Amanda. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for the lurk. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is fun. Wait, what does dale mean? What am I saying? Is it family friendly? You know what's funny though? Is like after studying Japanese, like even if I try to think of other languages, I can't, I don't think of them. Like I'll think of like a word and then the rest of the sentence in my brain will like form in Japanese and then it'll just be like one word, you know, like that's in another language. It's slang, but it's friendly. Oh, okay. Oh, I know Dios mío. Wow, language lesson with Luna. I'm on Dolly Isle now. We have Animal Crossing New Horizons theme. That looks scary. Friend? Oh, okay. All right, guys, we're on the hunt for rainbow items. We are so on the hunt. We are very on the hunt. I am here on the hunt. Are your eyes open? Diana is so cool. I believe it. You're all cool. Ooh, I can't read that either. let's try to keep the chat in English or Japanese. I don't know if anyone can speak Japanese in the chat, just so that I can moderate would be really helpful. But Winter, maybe if you could tell them that the chat is that I don't speak French, that would also be really helpful. But maybe then we can switch back to English. Thank you though. Fish. I turned its light on. We love it. Yeah. Or the Nihongo is also daijoubu, but I don't think anyone speaks Nihongo. Haruka speaks Nihongo. Haruka understands me. This is so funny. All right, I'm on the hunt. Although I found another island of flowers. Wait. Thank you, Winter. Thank you. No, that's fine. I appreciate you just mentioning that I don't speak French. Not I don't speak. I am talking. I am talking. Oh no, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Oh my. Oh god. Ryuna no haishin wa saiko desu. That's actually really good Japanese. See, look, JC. When JC uses Google Translate, it doesn't come out right. That one's not entirely wrong. Hi, welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. Our follow alerts are anonymous. You can feel free to sit back and lurk or introduce yourself in chat if you'd like. We're currently doing a rainbow-themed scavenger hunt in Animal Crossing as a part of the Twitch Pride Guild raid train. Not having a lot of luck in these last 2 islands, so I think we'll move on. What is... Oh, it's a baby! It's a vampire. Cute. Dale is like saying go. Uno, dos, tres, dale. Is that right? Oh, it's right! What's that song? Da 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 da. Anyway. Is that not Pitbull? Am I wrong? Someone goes one uno. Isn't there one where they count in alternating English and Spanish? Like, wait, I can't. I can't do it. Isn't that a thing? How does it go? Uno, two, tres, four. I'm making it up. This is so funny. This is so funny, guys. But I need to use the restroom like super fast, like at the speed of absolute sound. I'm not even gonna put my BRB screen on. I'll give you guys some points to gamble. I'm literally going to run. I'm literally going to run. I'm running so fast. I'm running so fast. Bye. I wasn't even gone 2 seconds. I wasn't even gone 2 seconds. I'm back. I'm back. I'm ready. I'm back and I'm ready. Thanks, Richie. I did wash my hands. I'm drying them on my leggings right now. Of course I wash my hands. I'm a germaphobe. I wash my hands in my own bathroom that only I use. I weren't even gone to. I was gone longer. I think you lied. You lied. I know you wash your hands, but it's for the meme. Thanks for the meme. Did I sing my ABCs? No? Are you supposed to sing your ABCs? Is that what you do? I didn't sing them. I've already been over this today. I can't speak. So no, I didn't sing. Oh my god, I also didn't realize that we only have there's only 30 minutes left before the train leaves the station on my stream. Good night, Vienna. Thank you for being here. Have a good night. Have a good night. Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, thank you. I'm sorry, I don't know. I can't speak these languages. I'm so sorry. Wash your hands again? No. You're supposed to wash your hands for the duration of the song. I see. I see. I'm still thinking about that song I tried to sing earlier though. ABCs, is that the, yeah, I know. I'm also, I also didn't know that was the rules. Or happy birthday. I thought you were supposed to sing when you brush your teeth, but I don't have to sing when I brush my teeth because I have an electric toothbrush that counts for me. It counts for me. Okay, we're here. So we still need to find yellow, blue, indigo, and violet. Ugh. Guys, I have so much faith. There's Totoro here, so anything is possible. Tonari no Totoro, Totoro. I don't know, actually, this island is looking pretty pink. It's looking pretty pink. Sleepless. Okay, I'm locked in. I'm really locked in finding these items. My eyes are very big. That actually hurts. It hurts to have my eyes really big. Okay, here we go. Oh, I've never seen the flower beds put like that before. That's cute. Very cute. There's no time to admire. We're running out of time. You guys had fun? I hope that you've had a fun time on stream today. We're not done yet though. There's a Totoro theme song playing and me watching it at 3 a.m. Okay. And I'm imagining it. And thank you, Velvet. That's it. Oh, okay. I'll no, it's the wrong color. It's the wrong color. Thank you for imagining. You're welcome. It's the wrong color. Yeah, white moon. Dang, maybe I made this a little too hard, but that's okay. It's a part of the challenge. And I guess the thing is too, is you never really know what you're gonna get when you're rolling random dream addresses. I killed the flower. It's okay. It's a dream. It's a dream. My favorite Miyazaki movie, I really like Princess Mononoke and Spirited Away. What about you guys? I have a lot of Totoros on my channel though. They have remained. And actually all of my alerts are Princess Mononoke. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed. My alerts for, is it like Dono's sub raid and follow are Luna dressed as San from Princess Mononoke. Rip the flower. I also love Howl's Moving Castle. Oh, was it him? I'm gonna cry. Are you kidding me with this? Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm not gonna be able to see it. You can see it here. That is so cute. That is so cute. God, how do people's brains get so big? That is so cute. Howl's your favorite? But it's a hard choice. I know there's so many good movies, right? Howl's Moving Castle makes me cry. A lot of them make me cry. Yeah, hold on. Sorry. The sit. The Stardew Valley lover in me is oh, I blinked. Is obsessed. Yeah, Howl is very good. Ooh. Ooh. Distracted. Woohoo. Woohoo. No, it didn't. Oh god. Oh god, it's an actual game. Oh god, I didn't sign up for this. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah! All I wanted to do is admire the Junimos. No. Oh my god, it's a little you know, talk about distractions. Talk about distractions. I found the star. Wow, this is really cute. Okay, I gotta escape though. I can't get out. Oh, it took me here. Dude, there's like just so many creative people that play this game. And sometimes I think that's the thing with, oh yeah, do you see him? Hold on. Sometimes that's the thing with Animal Crossing is sometimes it's just like one Okay, sometimes it's just one little thing that you see that's like really cool, and you're, you're like, dang, I love that. Sorry, I think we're hitting crazy hours. Oh, we found this again. How do we find someone with the same code as we found before? That's crazy. Oh, I already went up here. Guys, I can't wait to watch more Witch Hat, but I will say I think I'm only free on Sunday evening this week because I am so busy. I'm a busy bee. Oh, it's a heart. Okay, I gotta leave. I gotta leave. This was cute, but we didn't find anything. We didn't find anything. What is happening? Oh my god, everything is funny. I feel like I've been awake for like 8 years. You know when you start to hit that, you're like, wow, I've been awake forever. And it's like, Luna, it's 9:34 p.m. It's 9:34 p.m. Also, just as a warning, I'm gonna go check back in. I'm pretty sure the person we are rating, I think they're playing horror games. So I just wanted to keep that in. I want you guys to all keep that in mind mentally as we near the end of the stream. They're very, very cool. I was lurking in their streams earlier, but it's gonna be a little bit of a mood change, but we'll talk more about them when we get to it, when we get there. But yeah, I saw it earlier. I was like, I really only get like 6 hours of sleep a night, so you never really feel like that. 6? Can you function off of 6? Because I can't. You've been up since 5 a.m. for work though, yeah, CC? Or you've just woke up at 5 a.m.? I always wake up really early. You can function off of 3? You're powerful. I can't. I need between 7 and 8. 6 is as much as you can get. Oh man, I'm sorry, but I'm glad that you can function at least off of 6. I can't do it. When I first met you, I was sleeping less than 4 hours every night. Do you sleep better now, Sleepless? Remember functioning off of 3? Maybe when I was in college, but I don't think it would be functioning. I think I would just call that mere existence. I don't know. I don't think I was doing it very well. You sleep more now. Good. That's good. Your favorite part of the Pride train has been the dramatic mood just for this. Yeah. No, that's so true though. It's nice because you get a taste of so many different lovely people within our community. But that is true because I've been following the train like at least once a day. I try to check in with it, like especially during the work day. It's hard for me to like lurk. I'm always in work lurky mode sort of thing. But I have been noticing a lot of variety, which is so fun. I love this raid train. I'm so happy to be here. Oh, wait, where am I? You worked at 6:45 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Wait, that's crazy. I'm at the age where I shouldn't be, but I run my company's IT department and you're on call 24/7. Oh, I see. That's really complicated. That must be really hard to be on call 24/7 for sure. Man, well, I wish you the most rest that you can possibly get at any given day. Welcome back, Horsefinger. I remember when I was in your stream and I said, oh, my phone is dying. I don't care. Aw. Well, Sleepless, I hope that you get some more. I'm hoping that you're getting better sleep in recent times in general. It's important. It's important to take care of ourselves. It's important to have fun and to do the things and experience life, but it's also important to You blew 500,000 channel points on emote parties. That's fair. I'm happy to be here with you, Winter. I'm stuck, though. Stuck. I'm losing a little bit of faith now, I will say. Thank you for the hydrate. There's just some items I don't know if we're going to find based off of the vibes of this particular island. Arts and crafts. Cute. Aw. Oh, wait. I can go up here. 8 cups of tea away from 200 is crazy. That's crazy. All right, guys, my eyes are open. Oh my. There's Godzilla's. You must take time to take care of yourself to enjoy the fun. That's true. Very true. Oh, wait. Okay, this is looking a little colorful. Thank you for being here, Falco. Have a good night if not. Bye-bye. As someone who knows nothing of this game, oh, what is a stream? Oh, okay, yeah. So I would love to explain. So in Animal Crossing New Horizons, when you make an island, you can save your island's code, and basically anybody can visit your code at any given time, even if you don't have the game open and you're not playing the game. And so what it does is it saves your island as what's called a dream. So that's what we're doing right now, is we're on a dream island. So basically this is somebody's island that they made, and then they saved the data to like the Animal Crossing and New Horizons gods, and we can visit it at any time. So that's what we're doing right now. And so for the scavenger hunt, what we're doing is we're like randomly rolling other people's islands. So I have no idea what I'm gonna get. And then I have a list of items on the left side of my screen, and we're trying to just find those on random hecking islands. Sometimes we get really lucky with these and we find islands like super fast that fit the theme of everything that we're going for. Today's a little bit more of a challenge because everything is rainbow themed. So you kind of like never really know when somebody is gonna have like an island that would have these color schemes on it, you know? It's a little bit easier when you do like sometimes I'll do scavenger hunts and it'll be like per season. So it'll be like a fall scavenger hunt and we'll have all fall items. Then we get really lucky and find like one random fall themed island, you know? But I knew that today was gonna be a little bit challenging, but I wanted to try it anyway. Yeah, that's true. And it's a dream, so you can't mess with anything. So like if I were to pick these flowers, like it doesn't mean anything. Like the flowers don't actually like I don't take these with me. You can't take anything. Like even if it looks like you can take them, like everything is just like in a dream. Wait, what is that? No, that's sad. But yeah, and so there's not a lot of like rainbow items, I guess, in the game, unless it's like per particular series. So I just went through and I found random rainbow colored items and I was like, these work. Yo. What did I miss? What did I miss? Go back to the... You guys have better eyes than me today. Wait, the pool. Oh my god, how did you see that? How did you see that? Oh my, y'all are good. Y'all are good. I'm just here. Y'all are good. I'm just here. That was crazy. Let's go sleepless. With oh my god, thank you, sleepless. We found it. We found the little blue duck pool. Okay, now we have 19 minutes to find 3 more items, but I'm not feeling hopeful. But now we found over half, and that's actually pretty good. That makes total sense. I knew about the plane travel from watching people play randomly, but this was totally new. I'm glad it was new. Hi, Clover. How are you? Welcome in. Clover, we saw Melba today. Or, well, we were on an island that had Melba. I didn't go seek out Melba. Yeah, you and Sleepless do win. Congrats. Congratulations. Thank you. Melba! Yeah, we found her! So we have a yellow, an indigo, and a purple themed item that I have on the side of my screen. We have to raid out in 19 minutes. I'll probably stop in about 15 or so. Oh my god, I stopped taking tallies. This may or may not be island number 13. It may or may not be that island. Oh my god. I'll try my best here. Yeah, thank you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, we'd only have 2 items. Island number 104. Oh my god. But yeah, so like I have my island, for example, saved in this sort of like Animal Crossing island dream cloud as well. So like if anyone has Animal Crossing, you could also visit my island. It's really cool too because when you save your island, it saves at the exact date, time of day, everything like that, season. So like it's fun because like I could find a winter island right now, even though it's the summertime. Bye, yours finger. Good night. Tofu dinner. I actually can't tell if I'm hungry or not. I had such a filling dinner, but I feel like it was so long ago now. I'm like sitting here like, do I want a snack after this? I don't know. I definitely am going to play some Pokopia after this. Saint Nook, is that what that said? God. Where am I going? We've seen about 13 islands. Yeah, we've been streaming for almost 3 hours, but we've only been doing this for the last hour and 42 minutes. You know, Winter, I don't know. But how was your day, though? Did you have a good work day today? Yeah, we're in a raid train right now. So unfortunately at the top of, well, not unfortunately, at the top of the hour, I will be taking you guys to the next streamer on the train. So we do have a time limit. It's a very particular time limit. I see yellow. All right, all right, all right. Let's do a little look-see. Oh my God, and even the airport is yellow. Okay, I'm gonna run. Kabuki. I love Kabuki. I can't believe I just ran past Kabuki. What is happening here? Oh my God, now the faces in the sand just remind me of Tomodachi Life. I really wonder what my Miis are doing. The stream is flying by, I'm sad. I've been looking forward to the stream for so long. And now it's almost over. Oh God. Sorry, I got a low battery message. I don't know how long I wasn't tracking for, sorry. We're good though, we're gonna make it. Yeah, this is my last Pride event, like on Twitch, so it's kind of sad. But I really do hope that you guys have been enjoying the stream. If you're lurking and you came through with the raid train, or if you found me from the Animal Crossing category, or if you're somebody who's been in my community for a long time or for a short time, I hope that you guys have enjoyed. Oh my God, see, this I would have seen. This I would have seen. This I would have seen. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed the stream tonight. Once again, if you don't know me, I do stream variety content on Twitch. I stream mostly cozy games. Lately in my rotation has been Tomodachi Life. I've been starting to play Pokopia. I do art on stream. Yeah, we do play a lot of Splatoon here and there too. That tends to be the game we go back to, along with Animal Crossing and Stardew. But I don't really play you'll never see a horror game. You'll never see like a platformer. It's always kind of in the same genre of, of games. Yeah. Oh, they saw second mushy. Oh my God, my eyes didn't even see that. Yeah, well, so the whole thing with today's scavenger hunt is we're looking for specifically the colors that I picked out because it's a rainbow themed scavenger hunt. So we have to find the bike in that exact color, which is what's making this really challenging. Hi, Case. Welcome in. I'm your train spotter for the evening. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I actually have their stream up. I have so oh my God, I can't pronounce their name. I'm gonna sound like a silly person. Saphos stream up. And I will raid them at the top of the hour. Thank you so much, Case, for looking after us. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. I'm gonna panic run to the next island. Ah! Yes, happy Pride to everybody here. I do hope that you've all been having a really nice Pride in general. It's been really fun. I hate waking up on July 1st and then it's over and it's hot. Like, at least we can be like, it's hot outside, but it's Pride month, you know? And then it's hot outside and it's just July. It's been so fun to ride the train and meet new people. I love raid trains. I think that raid trains are like my favorite kind of event. This is my third raid train of the month, actually. It's been a really busy raid train month for me, but I honestly think it's really fun because, like, as a streamer, it gives me a chance to kind of like sometimes mix up a little bit what I do. Like, I wouldn't be doing this stream right now if it wasn't for, like, you know, being a part of the raid train. Then you get to meet new people and it's just really fun. Like, it's fun to feel, because, like, I don't know, I stream, right? And I'm just like sitting here in front of my computer and it's me and you guys are here and we're chatting, but like I think it's important to also like be a part of the bigger community. And I think that's like one of the like fun parts of being a streamer and being a viewer is you get to discover new people and I don't know, it's just really nice. Yes, I'm glad you're here. Thank you, Case. Thank you. Yeah, I already went and introduced myself in the next streamer's chat as well. I was like, hi, bye. See you later. It's June and it's only hot because the gays are bringing in the heat. Every other month is just sun and bleh. You're so right. You're so right. All right, this is maybe Island 14. We're gonna start running. But hey, I think we got over half, so that's pretty good. You know what? Out of so much paranoia, I'm pulling up the Red Labs right now. Not me being like, look at me. I already introduced myself to the next streamer, and I'm always so scared I'm gonna go in the wrong direction. Ugh. Okay, no, I'm correct. I'm always so scared. Oh, I lost my OBS. There it is. Perfect. There's something so comforting knowing we're all over the world in every nook and cranny, rainbows everywhere. Yes, That is absolutely a really good way to put it. It's just so nice. It's just so nice. No, I was the same way. I had to copy it. I do that too. I literally am like, I don't care if the person's username is Apple, and I can read it and spell it. I'm gonna copy it and paste it. It makes me so scared. Because it's like, I think that the scariest parts are getting the raid and then sending the raid, you know? Because then the rest of the stream is just like, okay, I'm vibing, I'm streaming, this is what I do. But then everything else is like, oh my god, I have to introduce myself and I don't know how to introduce myself. Who am I? What do I do? Like hi, help. And then after that, it's like, okay, I gotta type the right names to help. Thank you so much. I'm glad that you like the model. I became a VTuber I'm a baby VTuber. I started VTubing on May 9th was my debut. I streamed with a webcam until then, but I have to say I love VTubing. It's so fun, and I'm also obsessed with my model. I know, the yellow bike is so evil. You've been making 130 user accounts lately? Always copy and paste, never take a chance. Scary. It is scary, right? I'm gonna probably copy and paste even though I have the streamers literally up in front of me. Congrats, thank you. It was something that was in process for a very, very long time, and I got very lucky to get accepted for a commission for my literal dream model. So I'm small and evil, and I love it. I'm really small too. I'm really like, look at me. Weep. I'm just a little guy. Oh god, I'm never gonna be able to put myself back. Oh god, I opened apps. Oh god, oh god, oh god. See, this is why I just don't click things. What did I open? What is this? Elgato Camera Hub? Close. Okay. Anyway. I discovered Luna during some rough times, and she was the first streamer who read my message. I love this community. I'm never leaving. Stop, I'm gonna cry. You want me to be a giraffe? Is that a giraffe request? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Were you? Oh no, now you weren't expecting this, huh? Now you weren't expecting this, huh? It's like so dramatic when I move my head freaking forward. I have a lot of toggles on this thing. There are a lot of toggles on this thing. Hi, Shutters. Welcome in. It's good to see you. Oh my god. Shutters appears and so does this. I think it's not a coincidence. You're cracking up. Good, I'm glad. I'm sorry to get distracted though from the scavenger hunt. Ah! How are you? Welcome in. You're cackling. Good. Sorry, that was really violent. I mean, no, it's the wrong color again. The wrong color again. What color is the bike? Wrong. It's wrong. I think, unless yeah, it's wrong. We're finding all the wrong colors. But that's okay. Even hey, if we don't clear, I'll give you all 10,000 points. How about that? So basically, y'all are getting 10,000 points. But yeah, I have a lot of toggles on this thing. I can show you some more in a second. Maybe I'll put my neck away. Time to mess with the gamma on my screen. I think it's funny that the Pride Guild raid train, look at it get like really little and really big on my head. Okay, let me put my neck back. I also, I like, what else do I like? I like a lot of things. I like this one. I like this toggle a lot. Why would you do that? Why would you gamble all those? Why would you do that? All right, this is the last island, and we have to like run through it. This is island number 15. It's the last one. It's the last one because we have to raid out soon. We have to raid out on time. This is the last one. I like this one a lot too. And I like this one. And I like this angry one. And my face stays angry, so even if I smile, my face stays angry. I have so many though. Luckily, I can maybe do this. Beep. I can maybe And by this, I mean click the right buttons and also mess with my toggles at the same time. Okay, now, well, hold on. I hid my OBS. There we go. So Anki, true. All right, last island. Before we raid out, we're gonna have to kind of like, we probably can't see this whole island. That's so silly. There's a lot of toggles. I think that they're really cute. Thanks, Winter. All right, island number 15. Let's see if you have any rainbow items. We're only gonna stay here until like 9:56. We have 3 minutes. That's it. That's the amount of time I'm allotting, because I estimate it'll take me like 4 minutes to say goodbye. I don't want to say goodbye. No rush. We gotta raid out at the top of the hour because it's a raid train. We gotta make sure that the next person gets their proper slot. Oh my god, you get 3 minutes of, oh my god, Orange, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope that you're doing okay though. This is actually our last island. This is our final chance. We're doing a super zoom. I'm very scared that by doing it, oh, that's really cute. No, I can't look at it. I can't look at it. I'm really afraid. Oh my god. I can't look at that either. 3 minutes is a lot of time. I mean, this island has, oh my god, there's another orange table. Oh my god, and this is the wrong color. See, we found almost every item in the wrong color. That's crazy. Stop it. I know, I'm crying. Yes, there is a special raid message actually. I think it's !Pride Raid 1 and !Pride Raid 2. There were a couple raid message options, but those were the ones I liked the best. No, Orange, you got that. I know it must be really tiring, but it's all gonna be worth it. It's all gonna be worth it. Zelda. What happened? Can I touch this? Oh, no, I broke it. Thank you. Yeah, that one, and then there's one more, which we're gonna have to use very soon, so you can start copying it if you'd like. You can pick whichever one you like the best. There's another one though too, if you do Pride Raid 2. Ah, Squirtle, sorry. Oh my god, this is like the Squirtle land. Look, okay, we didn't finish the scavenger hunt, but we did find, thank you. We did find Squirtle land. But yes, we have 1 minute. 1 minute until I start saying goodbyes. Then we have 4 minutes to raid out. See, look, I'm very time efficient. I maybe. The Triforce breaks all the time. Oh, is that like a thing? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Ah! Well, you know what, guys? Oh my god. Spider crabs. Okay. Making your job very easy by panicking. All right, guys. Well, we ended up finding 4 out of our 7 rainbow items, which, to be honest, I think that some of them were quite hard. So I would honestly go ahead and say that I'm really proud of us. I'm proud of everything that we did. I am proud of that was on purpose. I am proud of how far we got and all of those things. And yeah, let me bring myself back over here. Work over the points. Oh my god. Okay. I can do that. Add points all 10,000. That I don't want to give the wrong number. Yeah, okay. There you go. So if you're in the chat, you get a lot of points. But yes, thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope that you enjoyed my stuff on the train. I had a lot of fun. I'm missing a 0. No, I'm not. Stop. I really checked for the 0. That was fun. Thank you, Richie, for being here. Thank you, guys. I really hope that you had a fun time. I had a great time being a part of this raid train. Thank you to the organizers. Thank you, Case, for being here. Thank you to everybody who makes this possible. I'm sure it is not easy to set up a month-long raid train. I'm sure that's not the easiest thing to manage, etc. We are going to go off. Thank you so much for the follow. Also, welcome in if this is your first time meeting me. I usually stream Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, but my schedule changes just because life always happens. But I will be live next again on Thursday. I'm playing Tomodachi Life and just relaxing and vibing. And I'll be back on Saturday for a day-long Pokopia stream, a really long Pokopia stream. If you would like to join my Discord server to keep up with me off stream, it is here. If you would like to find any of my socials, I post most frequently on Blue Sky. I'm an artist too, so you can look at my art on Ko-fi. You can also check out my YouTube for VODs. And then also I have a shop. I make some merchandise. Oh, and by the way, if anybody ordered the EV Pride stickers, they did ship. I don't have them yet, but I should be able to get orders out hopefully the end of this week, if not early next week. It just depends on when I get them. But yeah, grab your dailies if you haven't already. And also, if you could please copy either Pride Raid 1 or Pride Raid 2. One of those raid messages, that would be really, really great. We're going to go raid, I'm not sure if I'm saying their name correctly, and I have to apologize in advance. Their name is Sappho. And they are currently streaming, I believe, a horror game. I think that their stream title is currently Scary Games for a Scary Good Cause. They are raising money for Trans Empowerment Project. They are also doing a charity stream, and they have raised a ton of money. I'm nervous, so I'm gonna hope that Case is here watching me send the raid through, because I'm always so horrified, even though I copied and pasted. And I think that they're currently waiting for us because they're also in their just chatting screen right now. Thank you, Haruka, for being here. I really appreciate it. That you're the best. You're honestly the best. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope that you had such a fun time. I'm gonna send you guys off on the raid. Please go ahead and show them some love. Let's go support the train. If you guys can, I would encourage you to please stick around for the raid. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. Raid is going to the correct place. Thank goodness. Thank goodness. All right, guys, I'm sending you off. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Happy Pride, everybody, and I will see you all on Thursday. Bye. Bye.